When you don't come upset me today because soon time for me come off our live. So.
Madam Speaker.
Munchie. Hold on there. Hold on there, my general. Munchie.
Go on.
My sister was going to school in Kingston. And maybe you know, I never know. And she take the bus from Crossroad. She go Queens to Spanish Town, and she pay her fare in silver. That's what she had. And the conductor threw it back on her.
19, how much that?
19, or 90, 98, or 98, 99.
And the conductor bright though?
Well, on the Munchie, I spent 2 weeks looking for the conductor. They might call me. I'm in my uniform, turn up out the bus stop. 2
I wait
weeks.
for him.
I wait for him and can't find him, Munchie. One of my told I never know me. Because I did find him, Munchie. I did find the conductor. That is what school picnic, especially girls, used to go through the big great tone man them when they come in our bus and rub up them front and
Yes.
them in our bus. And then they sit there they used to do and
Under Percival.
Nobody to help them. Not a soul to help them. Not even one somebody to help them get rid of it. Nobody said it separate the children from the adult. So they have to go through these rough things.
And all of a sudden, PNP care about poor people, and we love poor people. I will love poor people.
Munchie, you see all the taxi man them, they abuse the school as them, you know, because they not care them. They not, no for them not care them. When I speak hours, they not care them. They want to charge them adult fee, or they not care them. That's how we know of a fact. You have good taxi man, you know, but you have some with dog shit. They can't tell you. They can't tell you that. Because all them do is fool on the school picnic them. Buy them phone. Listen, we are going to live it. We used to go to school and see it with the eye. See, taxi man, big great tone man at the school as lunch money.
And that is why, Soji, the school bus is welcome. Because the school bus now will take out, help with all of that. Because now the Jamaican children, where they are poor, and let me tell you something, comrades. The school bus is not for labor right, and it is not for comrades.
Not for
the school bus is for Jamaica. And it's for poor pitney, rich pitney, middle class, every Jamaican child that born in Jamaica, you have the right to the school bus. Once the school bus is passing your gate, Soji, it is your right to take the school bus. The government of Jamaica and the Jamaican owners will not discriminate, and we know, and our party leader no work with color. Our party leader put country first.
Munchie, hold on, Munchie. You see no fight pan on our school bus them yet, Munchie?
Munchie, you see no fight. But the sick and then lie.
Munchie, what they tell you, man? PNP cannot take a dive, man.
The PNP Soji, the PNP and the Mark Golin and Lambert Brown and Angela Brownberg. Them are the face of the PNP. And Jeanette Calder, we're going to add Jeanette Calder to it, Soji, because she wake up this morning, come put out all the cleaner and say,
I don't be jump about time sleep. I don't be jump about time.
Who wake up the dumpy, they know who sprinkle rum and wake up the dumpy there. Because this morning come and tell the Jamaican people, them say, they must come gather up at Parliament tomorrow. Can't show them protest towards the Nara bill. I don't know who Jeanette Calder thinks she is. I don't know. You know what somebody said to me this morning? Say, if Jeanette Calder and Michael Jackson and all of them girls, they want to run country. Why they not go into politics, Soji? Why not put their name on ballot if they want to run country? If they want to run, if they want position Jambisco, why don't they go on the ballot and put themselves out there for Jamaican people to scrutinize them and put them name on ballot? Why did Mark Jefferson go and put Jeanette Calder and Michael Jackson in the Senate? Because these people, for some reason, I don't know where they get that from. I mean, remember when it started. But for some reason, these people think that them have all the authority to tell the ruling government how to run the country and what kind of decision to make. Why them people think them have superior knowledge over everybody in the country? Why did they put themselves? Not one of them lifestyle cannot put their name on a ballot. Why Jeanette Calder not tell Mark Golden and say, Mark, I want to run for your seat, or Mark, I want to go in the Senate. If they want to make decisions so much, put on a name on ballot. You think it's easy to run an election? You think it's easy to put your name on a ballot and get scrutinized and criticized and people talk all type of things about you and tell how much lies for you? You so much lie when they tell pan roader? You so much lie they tell pan roader, and 99% of the things them what the PNP then say about roader is a lie. That is what happened when you put yourself out there to serve the country. And speaking of serving the country, Bridget, that is why I said to my government, Soji. You said the decision to give Matalan government contract to broadcast the JCDC and the gala, I think it was a very, very bad decision. I think it was a very, very bad decision. Because I come like, yeah, feed people if they beat you. You know when the cleaner wake up this morning and put out Soji? Then put out Mrs. Campbell, then put out Sasko wife name, like they would have said. McLaren Campbell, among others who have, like she say, get government position. About 20 people name the minister announcing us, Soji. About 20 person yesterday they got through, people don't have heart, people at the library, people at CPFSA right across the education system. She lists out about 20 people, but the Gleaner, because the woman is the most popular of all of them, and because they want the PNP to curse the lady, the Gleaner wake up and put the woman name at the front to say she among how much people get government position or whatever. And that is why I don't know why this government here bother with the Gleaner. I'm supposed to look at the comment section how they have talk about the woman, because it's not like she not qualified, no? It's not like she not qualified for the position in a Soji, but because them a say, oh, she a labor right. So because she a labor right according to them, I never see her in a green shirt yet. I got how much position I see her, I never see her in a green shirt yet.
Wait, Munchie. So they were not forgetting a position?
No, PNP alone to get position.
Who said to me, sir?
A PNP alone to get government work. So
I want to say something to you, Munchie, I want to say something to you. I want you to add up something for me. Since September 7 or 3, a person who used to give their child 600 a day for bus fare. That was 600 a day would be how much after the week? 5 times or 3,000? 3,000 for the week. No, it would have given them 500 for bus fare and the school bus. So they would have saved 2,005. So every month still school is break after hurricane, so November. So take out 1 month out of it. So
but the picnic never start paper until about February.
Wait no man, mistake just well add something. I know so they never start pay till way. But me just say, me put in. So September, November, October, December, January, February, March, April. 7 months. So 7 times 2,500. That's what? 14. 7,
exactly, Bridget.
35. So 17,000 you save in a 7 months. 17,000 you have saved to the government system in a 7 months. You can put them to your picnic to go do some other things.
Guys, get me to 200 because I come off at 5 o'clock. Let me tell you something, Bridget. Me no know me go always be tribal and political because me no laughing up people who are criticizing my prime minister in a way if it damage him and cause harm. Look here, I keep saying to the
people. Can't work with that.
Andrew Holness is not above criticism. Andrew is not above criticism. Don't get me wrong, Soji. But it's when you deliberately try to cause harm, me not in that. And that is the problem we have with the Gleaner and TVJ. When them criticize the Prime Minister and the government, then do it in a hurtful and a spiteful way. So that is why I cannot agree with my government to give them to spend none of the tax $1 with them. And this man then wake up and about 20 people name The minister, about 20 people named Bernard, the minister announced yesterday at the post cabinet.
Yeah.
And the first name the Gleaner could have found was the woman name and the lady not trouble them. The woman at work, the woman, it don't matter if she a JLP or not, because the PNP alone forget work. Because when the PNP in a power, the PNP give
PNP alone get work.
So what? So what if she support the Jamaica Labour Party? She qualify for the work. She qualify to modernize the library, and she qualify and she have the experience and she a good person. Why she can't get the job? Why she can't get the job? What to stop her? The PNP and the Gleaner don't want no labor right for get no work. Because I can't do them labor right at dons.
So how we go? How you work out?
Yeah, after the people alone. When I find in the comment section right and say a pure JLP people get them a work here. A pure known jail. So me comment and say, so what? So what?
But what I know? Whoever name a labor right on a board for PMP? Who's labor right ever know the on a board? You don't want to come and tell me. Because one man control 19 boards.
So what?
One man control 19 boards. When ask them who was Vin Lawrence, when they attack, ask them who was Vin Lawrence. One man, chairman of 19 board. How comes?
Anytime, and you know what they do? We know what they do, Soji? They set the uncivilized people upon the people them in the private. That's why private sector people afraid for coming to government. Because they set them people upon the people them as soon as they get government work and start to tell pure lie upon them. And demonize them and start to tell be a lie upon them and then this and then that and then that. And that is why people with a good reputation don't want to join government. Even though the salary good, no one government raise the salary and good people have pension forget. A lot of people in the private sector don't want to come in a government because they're afraid of the backlash and the criticism, and they set people like Andre Stevens upon the people them to tell be a lie upon them. And put up them pitch and talk about and ball out. Leave the people them alone, Gleaner. Leave the people them just get the position, allow them to do them work. If they not do the work the minister know to do, leave the people them alone, make them do them work. We don't go like a PNP alone to get work. We don't go like a PNP alone must benefit.
That can't go so Munchie. Because PNP not give nobody work, except PNP, when PNP not power.
Bertie said, Munchie, PNP push me out of work and give it to the PNP. Why exactly, Bertie? Exactly. When PNP in power, the number one qualification to get a work, you have to be a PNP and come from a PNP family and a PNP background. You don't have to be qualified, you have to be a PNP. But now under Jamaica Labour Party, 10 years after we in a government, we can't give nobody no work because they peer criticism and beer and bring on the people them and talk about how this and that and a PSP JLP sympathizer work here so and JLP sympathizer. So what? They tell me I call from the government in a soldier. Don't be afraid to elect and to appoint labor right in a position where they qualified for. Don't be afraid.
Can't be afraid. PNP never afraid. So
don't be afraid to appoint labor rights who are qualified to do the job in position because then people think say them are labor right and people are going to criticize you. Don't be afraid. Because when PNP in power, they find work the PNP people for do. Junior said, Madam, me hope the government don't bail them out, not just watch them and sing. You know, you say government already want to go contract with them, I want a little bit of money, me don't care. Me not care, Bertie.
Gleaner?
Yeah.
Gleaner contract? Really?
Me not Gleaner at TVJ. What are them? TVJ are going to bring. TVJ are going to bring the JCDC festival and the gala. Don't forget nothing. Don't forget nothing, Soji. Make you two bring it. Make you two bring it. Don't forget no government contract. When they go on to Mark Golden and the PNP, because for 4 years they criticize the government and bring down the Jamaica Labour Party and don't bring the accurate story and the positive story about the government and tear down the government. Every minute you have to apologize.
Reach up. And you know, people now read retraction, you know, because they hide their own eye back.
Exactly.
The people now read the headline iPhone, but the retraction on eye back.
Exactly.
The retraction down on eye back.
Exactly.
So the people now read it back of the paper or the headline. But
exactly.
Headline, so they reach up. I apologize.
Exactly. From the day Mark Jefferson go in and get the party leader and Matalan put on the hat pan the end and say, "I go with Golin." He never turn back. He go to the end of the earth with Golin and jump off of the cliff with Golin. And now he come back one like him a decent businessman and I come no boat him a shake hand with Babs about him a sign contract. If you go and have no shame. And I have no shame because when you bring down this government and bring down Andrew Holness and tell me your life and the Prime Minister, all if the government call on first, you say no, we don't want it.
No, but
and when the government offer them soldiers, they say no, so me all right.
It's the same shit. Then I have no shame Munchie.
What to do to our exactly. We do and lean more D and Jackson Miller. Every day you get up and make video and I keep all angles and I talk about integrity commission, and the secretary decoration.
We have one name tea time. You have one name tea time, you know. Tea time, you know.
That's self-front. That's self-front what they pay that one in mind. One the name, what the one with their NIA name, not Jeanette Calder. Not Jeanette Calder, the other one name and she left with here. One with their NIA and she used to work over nationwide. Every single Tuesday she
Michael Jackson.
Not Michael Jackson. Not Michael Jackson.
What's one name?
You want to say their NIA? Their NIA.
When you man?
Daniel Archer. See coming, Daniel Archer. Thank you, Petal. Every day she over nation, over TVJ attack and a beat stomach for whole 4 years. Diane Jackson have she and Calder and Michael over their beat stomach for 4 years and I bring down the Prime Minister. And I cuss Andrew Holness and I tell your life and the Prime Minister. And no come no about government contract.
You
see video with your beat stomach.
I know one time.
Exactly.
I know one time.
Then you come now, but you not sign government contract. But you not bring
leading up to the election.
Of course. But then if you bring nobody now, Soji, me know if you have facts and a labor right not watching nothing over TVJ. And them are going to stay over there. And PNP now watch Ghana, you know, and JCDC. Now, what if you know say PNP don't support nothing in government when they're in opposition? They don't support nothing, not even Gala, they don't want to go. Remember say, Mark Golden, the last Gala we keep Mark Golden going because it was election year. Remember the last Gala we keep a 2025 Gala, the first Gala, Mark Golden going for 4 years. Because PNP don't support no government activity once they're in opposition. So I don't know where, so much people go watch that on TVJ. Because PNP don't support government. Because when they're in opposition, they don't love country. They only love the country when them can benefit.
When they self-benefit, see?
Yeah, he never got non-white style. The last Gala Mark Golden go when he wear the yellow shirt. Remember wear the yellow shirt and the black something and Currency say, "Good morning, Siki." Was the first and only one in go. He never go on the last 3 times. So no PNP now go Gala Soji and no PNP now support Gala. You're going to see something come August morning. They're not going and they're not supporting it because PNP don't love Jamaica. They only love them party in a power. So the government can't forget about
so
TVJ.
They can't get things in them pocket.
Yeah. Only when they can benefit. Only when they can benefit, you see they run come about Jamaica and Jamaican people and poor people and the roof program is not helping the most vulnerable and the poor people and the poor people and the poor people. That's all ain't good for. Get up every day and talk about poor people. You're not busy with country.
But wait, Munchie, I tell you something. I tell Jamaica this. If PNP they love poor people, you see people them in Westmoreland, you see land where they end up on there that only by now.
Exactly.
PNP have Prime Minister, Minister Tourism, Minister Water, Farm, Minister Farming, and nothing was done for the people of Westmoreland. All if 30 of them have vote them.
And then people that vote for PNP from them bound to them mother who them vote for PNP.
18 and a half years and then they give them take 10,000 and say I could give you some land title.
Exactly.
Because the people them would have it easy now.
And no running water in the pipe in Hanover. I remember saying Hanover have the most river in the country. Hanover people not running water. Hanover people not running water in them pipe and in a shower unless them buy water. And PNP love
how much river in Hanover?
And how much years the PNP have Hanover for. Look how much years. And I can't talk about no love poor people and all and start doing for poor people. I never hear my Prime Minister get up every day and say love poor people yet. You will never hear my Prime Minister preach about poor people yet. My Prime Minister always preach about opportunity and for help people and for get yourself certified and upskill yourself. And that my Prime Minister preach. upliftment.
Go get the money. Go get the money. Go get the money through education and
Exactly. My prime minister said every poor man must own a big house, you know. Remember my prime minister said that.
Okay.
About poor people. If you don't get up about poor people this and poor people that.
Them no love no poor people, man. Them MP don't know nothing about loving poor people.
They don't know nothing about poor people.
They love to keep people poor.
Exactly. And vulnerable. So they can have them beg them every time. Every time. About poor people. Me say the 3 hour life me plan to keep today, you know, cause Soji. Me plan to come make sure me talk to my government, you know. Do not allow the PNP Soji to go and do no campaign in Panara. Make them find something else. It's like how Dr. Chang cut them off a crime, then caught him say the word crime in their mouth. It's like how them have to see the security portfolio and wish it well.
Yeah.
Right now the PNP don't even have a shadow security minister. They don't even have a soul a shadow security.
You know, say Sab Hospital are up before year end. I set up back same year. So Sab and Canal region are go up before year end.
That is good. Fully. That is good, Soji. That is good.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So Sab go up, Canal region are go up. And what them are go do? Dead, PNP
dead.
That may I tell them.
Dead again. Yeah. Because the more operational hospital we have in the country, Soji, it must bring down the misery index. Because people have more than one option.
Exactly.
People have more than one option. Soji, people can go at this one, go at in a Manchester, people can go at Percy. What do you want to put up name? Soji Percy or Percy Jr.? Percy Jr. And then after broke neck for come down the one down here so.
But all I know Munchie look for this. If you're there man and you feel like when the highway bill 2 mile gully come down and send it. You know, just shut it on the highway, man. And go black river, man. So easy. You know, if you worry about it,
me agree. Me agree. So that is why I say Soji every single day when I come. Because me can't stay on topic, Soji. The Jamaica Labour Party cannot come 2030, you've got spare the world and spare my life and talk about no PNP, do this and no PNP, that. Come 2030, we're going to power 15 years. We cannot come and tell the people of Jamaica, say, PNP this and we have to try with
no, we can't call PNP
around the comrades.
We cannot call PNP name. We have to work on the clock. We cannot call PNP name come 2030.
You see like how it's like how Dr. Chang. Now, remember so Dr. Chang inherited a terrible security ministry from Peter Bunting, Remember when Dr. Chang became the minister, Soji, I cry Bunting upon me, I cry, to him daddy, Trump would have said I cry, call him daddy, Remember say Peter Bunting I call the criminal then daddy when Dr. Chang come in, So you can't come with no excuse and talk about how when we come in with this and with that, we have to make some changes, Michelle. People have to see the difference across the public sector.
Munchie, Nara must be held. Nara must come through. We're not giving up. Nara must
exactly. Work. We must if we uplift the country once and for all. We cannot control somebody PNP again. So we can't come back with it. We cannot come back with it. Neighbor, let me know like what me said, but we cannot come back and talk about PNP people again. We must have to say that people must have to have reason to vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. We can't come back and tell them about, we couldn't fix the road then because this and that. We must fix the road then properly, Soji, with proper drainage. And Nesta Morgan must make sure say every single contractor we are getting contract to build the road must put in drain. And as a matter of fact, Soji, all the labor right contractor them, if you don't know how to build the road, good left the contract alone. Because I know everything about politics, Soji.
Yeah. No, but I told Munchie.
Politics.
I told. Don't give them if they're not fixing. Because
labor right contractor when the constituency Soji and them get the contract to build the road and as them build the road so the Korean fall, you see one big hole in the middle of the road. And because them a labor right, you have to give them no work. Nesta, don't give them no work. But then go
No,
about
they
them
not forget.
business.
If they not gonna do it good, no give them. If they not want to do it good, no give them. Simple. If they can't do it work, no give them. We not hire no
Because you
fireman.
know what,
to fix road,
Soji?
Munchie.
You know what, Soji? The people of Jamaica is tired of the condition of the roads in the country. Right now, the road are the biggest issue of the people. You see, road and health sector are them
Munchie,
people
I'm
are
if you tell
complain
you.
about now.
Munchie, me drive, you know. So me I complain to you know. The rough, you know, for my vehicle, you know. I would me change out all the parts, you know. I front, you know. Rock and penny and
Yeah, Mali,
everything.
but Nesta don't choose the contractor. Mali, we know the contractor choose. You may know the contractor choose. I mean, I don't care if you're PNP or JLP, if you get the contract before you never. All right, look past St. Thomas Road, Mali. Look past St. Thomas Road. Where the Chinese them build. You know, see this section where the Jamaican them build, we have to rebuild. Chinese have to go in and go rebuild them, go fix it over. Eh? You don't realize, Mali, the piece of road out of St. Thomas where the Chinese them build run good, and the piece where the local contractor build had to go and rebuild. Or then something we are talking about, Mali. We need to make sure that the people that is getting the contract can do the work and stop with the foolishness.
Do the work.
Once and for all, we need to get value for money. And the main problem that we have with the roads in the country, Soji, is absolutely no drains. Absolutely no drains. Please.
No way for the water run off, Munchie.
No way for the water run when rain start fall.
No
And then the people them with their NWA, Soji. Look like the one of them are crook and criminal because they're supposed to be somebody from NWA to go and check on the quality of the road before the road done build.
That's what me think. That's what me think, Munchie. That's what me think. Even Munchie, what this? Me I pass one patrol for 5-6 months. And I say, so who in charge to make sure say? And I tell about it start out like a little rat in a Munchie. Now it turn on alligator, you know. It start out like a little rat and then turn on alligator. Soon after, you know. Because no attention was paid to it, you know. So me I say, then who in charge to make sure them things are no
Nobody. Nobody, Soji.
Who responsible for it?
Nobody.
Sure
right when we live in a central, Soji. When you right beside, right when you pass, so the people who live there you can tell, right when you pass soldier camp. First, water, the pipe bus over the right hand side, Soji. Water commission come dig up the road, so they fix it. 2 or 3 times they fix it, that like it fix good. No, we don't want to talk too soon. You know, say as soon as they fix the right hand side coming into town, Soji, the left hand side comes from big pothole. A big pothole, Soji, the right now the middle of the road right at top of soldier camp when you're going to Mandeville one way. And you tell me, say, nobody don't see that, Soji?
They can just deal with it. And that me can't understand.
See that?
Where we are paying for, where we are paying MP for.
And then something that frustrate the people that in Soji when time voting.
Yeah, what are we paying for?
Because you're going to Mandeville one way into Mandeville because of the big pothole on the left hand side. One way into Mandeville because of the big pothole on the right hand side, Soji. And then I said to myself, nobody not see this? Nobody not see this? Eh? And then the low hanging fruit that cause the MP to lose vote, Soji. Then the low hanging fruit that cause the MP to lose vote.
Of course, all the time. Of course, they look at things that we can fix easy.
Then look at something that need to be fixed. Right now, you drive out to Mandeville, Soji, pure water in the hole. And no vehicle can't pass, vehicle can wait until the vehicle will come up from Mandeville pass and then you pass it. That will cause an accident soon. Where are the relevant authorities to fix that road upon big main road?
Where may I do? Where may I do? Where may I do? Because it's all no female. Where may I do?
I don't know if the main road or off road, to be honest, you know. It's the right time for the soldier camp. It was Manchester Road to the town.
When Munchie that not in town. That not in town.
Before you reach the town.
Yeah.
Before you reach the town.
Just before you reach the town.
Right up at the soldier camp there, Bertie. Bertie said we tell the MP. Bertie, me 100% sure say the MP seat and pass when Chagarian. Because the way the MP live.
Madam Speaker, good evening everybody.
Good evening, my dear.
You know, maybe that's the same thing what I said, that come the next how much 10 years, we can't talk about no more PNP. But the most important thing what also need for happen in Munchie is that we need to revamp the municipalities, you know. that really and truly, because you see what you are talking about now is a counselor supposed to be in a film area every single week to know say that pothole is getting wider and wider and get it fixed. But because everybody they benefit from when the pothole them turn into one big old dirty hole, it don't really matter. The next thing, the NWA, see how much money them I get $100 million from the government. The constituencies I get $2 million out of $250 million. Each MP, I think them say each constituency, they never said MP. Each constituency is getting $2 million out of $250 million. The rest is going to NWA for hurricane preparedness. So make we see what is going to happen. In the local government lifestyle politics, you have much people who are citizens and green card resident and they are Jamaican and doing government work, and guess what? They will collect their money every single month, and it is on both sides.
Yeah, but council live overseas. How is that possible?
It is on both sides. The government needs to reform the local government. That is where the failure is coming from. Madam Speaker,
you think
you're not here.
Speaker thinks that the PNP didn't power for 10 years. The PNP reform the local government already?
Long time. Madam Speaker, I know you're not here when Angela Brownberg done present the other day. What Mark Golding said to her.
You're not here.
A warrior that.
Oh, I hug him up. No, when you hug him up, you say I'm a warrior.
Yeah.
Me warrior that.
And that them promote. That them promoting at the PNP.
Angela Brownberg not going to do better. Going to do better. And when it come on now to the hospital aspect of it, it don't make no sense. We open the new pretty building them and the service is the same. Me get a call yesterday. One girl who work at one of the hospital them, Madam Speaker. A girl come at she in the hospital are dead. You hear me say? She work at one of the hospital them. She said she not get no service.
So that them co-worker they not treat good, Antika?
You know what she said to me? She said her supervisor said to her, say, if you have to leave and go private, go on. As me stand up and tell a lie upon them. Me say, me shocked when she tell me that. Me say, if you work at the hospital and you're being treated that way,
exactly. What
about the others? This can't work, Soji. It can't go down. This can't continue. It don't make no sense. It's not making sense, none at all. None at all. None of it is not making any sense. So as Madam Speaker rightfully say, our government have to act, and me like all them bullish with the Naira bill, but them have to act, them have to do a lot of things, them have to make a lot of unpopular decisions, and they have to do it now. Do it now. When we're ready for campaign in the next 3 to 4 years, it's different.
Oh, Jesus. I don't know if it's about Labour Party. I know my party is still in power, guys, but what I'm going to tell you.
If Labour Party don't act, they're going to be in a trouble. If they don't act, they're going to be in a trouble. Remember me tell you that. And Labour rights are complaining. Labour rights are complaining. While Labour rights called me the other day and I tell us to add me over Navi Live. Madam Speaker, I never get to come and tell you. The lady has staunch Labour right. She said when she done work the other day, they tell her thank you in an election. Nothing. She say when she look, she say comrade 3 somebody in a one family collect them check, but they have different houses. Collect them check from government. She said when she look there and say, oh, me did come up a yard. When I come up a yard for come get a care package. She said me shop blow down when me I do it care package.
Yeah.
Labour rights are not benefiting, and if Labour Party not fix up themselves, them are got in a problem. Comrades alone can't benefit right now. No?
Mad?
Labour Party people not come asking nothing, but they are in a situation now where only say I give out money for help and assist, and I think the party have to act right now. Them need to act. Them for anyhow them not do it. Them are got in a problem. Remember me tell you that.
Well,
me never get so much complaint yet.
Me know for your facts, and me go to my way to get information for Central. And me put on the office because I know me very enough. And me talk to the girl down there. She very receptive to me. I mean, I work out and everything. And we our Central get the nice because me remember saying no Chica, remember saying no, the comedy cost me every day, say me this and that, you know, but me now forget no pay, no, me just want my prime minister in a power. But how much people are gonna heads up and do like me, Chica? What people are gonna heads up like me? Because remember me heads up, you know.
Right?
When we don't have MP office gonna worry about who no get and who to get and find list and worry about list and who go to reach to the minister and worry. And not me know.
A party have to step up. A party have to step up, Madam Speaker. You can't bring everything on here. You're setting up people take info. Me now, hello. The lady when me talk to the other day tell me, say when she got to the MP say when you find out, you tell me. Uno can't tell me nothing. We've been to do this from when labor rights are complaining. Uno knows them. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Me love Labour Party. Me love Labour Party, and I'm one of them who always I said don't hear out with dirty laundry pan there's something there. But I am not saying anything that is wrong.
I don't want to love hear out things. So no, we're not saying. I forgot to part of there.
All I am saying, the party needs to start acting. That's all I am saying. It cannot be where comrades are saying thank you. The same people them who campaign. The girls say when you look in, say mother, daughter, sister-in-law, collect them check. And she say when they see her, they say, well, me just come from up here, you know, where you come up me had condo, me carry one care package come get. The girl say me shop load what me do with care package. What me do with care package. And it cannot be. It cannot be. Them something that can't be where labor rights are complaining. And I'm pretty sure there are labor rights come here every single day, still do the party business and still a suffer. Me know me get the call them. The party have to do better. The party have to do better than this.
Alright. I don't know what the party we can call for the local. So Dr. Changa General we can call in the food more. So we have nobody else.
The party have to do better. The party have to do party work. The party have to do party work.
I agree. It's the party have to do party work. We can.
What you mean to me I set up people? Me not set up a soul. Not a soul me not set up. Me just check out the figure out. Check out the
Maxine said what happened to the Labour at MP? Maxine, my MP depend the case. Me can't speak for my MP Maxine. My member of parliament, the Honourable Rhoda Mai Crawford, she is on the case with every single person in a Central who got affected. She know the person, she know the list, she know who get already, she know why some don't get and she know why some soon get. My member of parliament, I can tell you, Maxine, she on it like wet pin. You don't know this me not concuss. Maxine, I realize me nice and a strict two side. Me MP on it, man. But like she can talk about other people.
Bertie, let me tell you something. Me not even want to talk some things here. Me not say nothing. Because if me start talk a judgment over here, I am not saying anything. Nothing me not say. Me just say party need for act and that's it. That's it.
Maxine, she talk about people when she hear from. Like she say.
That's all me I say. Me just say the party need for the party work. Me not say government, me say party.
Yeah, party. Between government and party. You have some MP for election done the people and don't see them back. For election done the people and don't see them back and then hands and no phone. Madam Speaker, every worker of the Labour right have an MP. Yes, Maxine, let me tell you about my MP, Rhoda Mai Crawford. She on it like wet paint. Nobody from Central can come in my inbox and tell me say they disenfranchise or franchise. My MP and the place like wet paint, Nathaniel. Me I tell you,
Who don't have labor rights. Who don't have labor rights. And TikTok where they house blow down flat. When I get nothing from an MP. You have Dujan when Dujan house burned down flat. See somebody. Westmoreland and Dujan call pan George Wright and all know George Wright not turn up and the woman when always a cut.
Dujan get access?
No man, remember say I burn team house burned down.
Oh, so okay, so a different section of the ministry I play by my
yes.
From.
And when he call, when we make two call and call somebody, then that two panty them again girlfriend.
They go ask Minister Charles which area in the Ministry of Labor you help people with their house burned down. I'm gonna call him and ask him about that. But what about in business? In business did register?
In business burned down, everything burned up.
Was it register? You know, so I be there, like do not need to business or register. One thing with it, I don't know what doing.
I think I don't know, I'm not sure.
Maxine, register and can get a business grant.
Let me tell you something, Maxine. George Wright was an MP. Dujan put every single thing on the line for George Wright. Everything. Everything. Integrity, family, soul, everything. You know who show up for him? The PNP woman.
NIS responsible for that. What NIS responsible for Maxine? For the burn down house part? Which where they do? May I go find out. Where yourself? May I go find out from Dujan business good. It was just the house.
Party, okay. Have to do party work.
Send Charles a message asking for help. Did he help him?
No, I think he respond all now.
Which Charles Purnell?
Yes.
Lord Purnell inbox full. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, of grace.
Somebody call him and ask him say if he want it, them a give the girl some panty. That time the girl with her two in them and Dujan everything but up flat ground.
So they won't talk. So they won't talk about promise you panty.
All I'm saying, party need to do party work. That's it. That's all me I say. Party work.
And
if them not act, there are a lot of people. There are a lot of people who are disgruntled. A lot of people, and you know why them disgruntled? Them say comrades and benefit, and they are not benefiting, and that is the problem. That is the problem. And I like say them, I say, oh, me want for me money because, and they are really affected. Well, if a labor rights in St. James affected, you know, hear them come out and complain. Hear them come out and complain. You know why? Then just watch it ride.
You know, you come to now, they not get help neither too. We know say they not get in a central. I know that. I know the central get a lot of help.
Then just watch it ride. Remember me tell you that.
I know the Central Manchester Classic. I know the Central Manchester under the leadership of Rhoda Mike Crawford. The people that get affected from Hurricane Melissa is getting help from the Ministry of Labor. The people who got affected, whether it be JLP or PLP, everybody who get assessment, whether they get help because the MP is on it like wet paint. You know, if you're fat, so the MP is in communication with the people in the constituency and she keeping them up to date. Some of them get them QR code, some of them get them text, some of them money slung in the system from March, they never know about it. Lots of people in a Central. I don't know about the rest of part, Nathaniel. I don't know about Manchester. I know about Central.
Up until now, nobody, Dujan not tell nobody from Labour Party thanks. Up until now, regular supporters like myself, I say, here. Not a soul where they out there campaign for. That's why you know worth it. And that's, you know worth it.
That's why you PNP because the Labour to get paid, I never look for me. Because they don't know so we don't get no pays, we just love with party. I like me, so I drive out gas every single day. I'm paid toll till I'm tired for party because I love my Prime Minister. But you can't tell the comrade that you don't kill them dead, I don't look for them. Kill them dead. I never look for them.
That's soul, nothing we don't get, nothing at all.
I don't look for them at all. But I know my MP Rhoda Mike Crawford. Why guys, I'm so sorry for Robertine Pauno. But my member of parliament, Rhoda Mike Crawford. Anybody come from Central and now get help? Allah will not tell inbox me. Everybody will get access to go get their help once you sit the do you. If not never do you now get no help in the roof program. And the program will come for you but another roof. So nobody with the foolishness. But everybody that got access and got damage will be getting them help in a Central Classic. Some get help and some soon get help. My MP is on it like wet paint. Yes, Bridget. I just want to put that in again because I'm so proud of my MP. You can go on now.
I was asking, good evening, everybody.
Even
I was asking, Sheikah, where the young lady live. I don't know if it's young or old, and if she got assessed, if she did assessment or anything at all. That is what I want to ask Sheikah.
That burn her house, burn down, Bridget.
No, me not talk. Do John, the lady that you were talking about, 2 burnt out people.
I don't remember what she said about that, you know. Me honestly don't remember.
Yeah, you see, Sheikah, you see, if we get the information, because what we realize, a lot of persons get assessed, but them what if you say it, Munchie? Them information not getting to them.
Some of the information wrong.
Not even that, so Munchie, me no man, you know say me, Mr. already. Munchie God.
They get assessed, but they not complete or what?
No. They
get access, Sheikah, but some of them need the TRN, some of them the ID, some of them the ministry of the
Bridget. Bridget.
No, sweetie. All right. Me not even want to spell it out, Munchie, but a lot of people, Sheikah, they were approved. But I don't know what is happening in the ministry. They are not sending out the people
QR code and the text.
QR code, because we know people get access from April, March, and we them just get them check day before yesterday. But the check was already there. But the ministry, she cannot call in the people them. That's why I ask you. That's why I ask you, Sheikah, if she got assessed and where she live. That is important. So if you get that we can check for her.
We can't know where she live. We can't talk to her.
But you can at least find out if she get access and if she check. You cannot find that out.
All right, Sheikah. Remember Westmoreland big. So you can't say Westmoreland. Or you can't say Clarendon.
St. James.
Right.
Some people they don't send no text to give them, and some people will
all right.
March the money down in the ministry and they don't get the money.
Sheikah.
I live in a labor constituency and so St. James she live.
All right, so St. James. All right.
Not south.
Okay. All right, fine. I don't know how you can get her information. To me, Sheikah, we can, as long as she was assessed by the government, by the ministry, right? We can find out where her process is.
Yes.
Check me, I will call you here.
Call her, Sheikah, because it's very important.
Yes.
We can find out and get our things started out.
Yes, we can.
We can't tell us essential, all right, Sheikah, because me
there's a solution for everything, my darling. Right?
My beloved constituency, oh God.
And another thing we can tell you, Sheikah, and if we listen to the minister, you see those people who them sign up by themselves, them assessment is coming up shortly. Those people were not assessed yet, but it's coming up very shortly. Because self-report, because the minister did say that. But if you get that information for me, we can take it from there and see where our process is.
Our process there.
Yeah, because some of them
on the queue to get our help.
yeah,
Call you, Bridget. Yeah,
All
go
right.
call you, and when me call you, you go shock so till you can't check out your wits.
All
But
right.
the person get help, Shika, don't worry yourself.
All right. Hey, Munchie, I hope another there's somebody there now. Anyway, leave it right there, so.
Shika?
I think nobody will una correspond with, but it's just how
First
close
of all, because
Yeah, man. With the panic.
all the people, we see a news time, Petal, we're not doing the news today. All the people them, when they are central,
Yeah.
under the leadership of my right honorable Rhoda Crawford, it's been taken care of. God, I'm so proud.
Yeah.
Me don't want to show off doing a Bridget. Can come off and look show off.
No, but as long as she get access, Shika. Because some of the time, so some of the time, if you not listen to minister, sometimes them TRN not right, or them never had them TRN. But as long as them information is correct and they were assessed by the ministry, we can find out what happened. Because it is in the system. It's just to find out what, anybody at all. Even at night time when the person them come up on minister page, a lot of people over there get help in Shika. Ask Munchie them. A lot of random people. Say, minister, me do this, and minister they say, send me your thing, your TRN. And when them say it, the minister say, you 200,000 that are waiting for you, you soon get a message. Simple. But they got to be assessed. And that is it.
The problem is with the ministry itself.
Yeah, I think the ministry,
The ministry is not doing enough to get out the money and in time.
Yes, that is it.
Because people who got approved from March
yes,
just get the QR code yesterday. From April, just get the QR code yesterday. And when I check the system said the person approved from when?
From
so
March.
The people in the ministry.
Yeah, that is
people
where
in the ministry, we don't know what them are do there, why them are do it. If them are sabotage or undermine and they just damn lazy. But they have a problem.
Some form of sabotaging because there's no way you can own. Well, most times you will hear that the comrades have a benefit. Like something off wrong. Something off wrong.
Something is wrong, Shika. May I tell you something? Something is wrong.
We don't want a problem, because.
Boy.
The lady said when she done work the other day, then tell her thank you.
That me didn't want to tell her, Shika. Just get her info. Or call me. Call me, Shika.
Yeah.
Any other labor right want to call Bridget? Any other labor right have any message to give Bridget because she take call now?
No, you're not bother with that much. Don't bother.
Going once.
You know, to me not the part.
Going twice.
As of tomorrow, I will be unavailable. So, as of tomorrow, I will be unavailable.
Why are you gonna be unavailable? Because you don't want to come to church?
No man. Me will come to church, but as long as I know you're a Munchie, I preach. Tracy can prove a me, not you nor Munchie, you mad? Anyway. Anyway, my client that I'm waiting on have baby yesterday, so I'll be going back to work tomorrow.
Sometimes here Empress cloth, so worried cloth, and then Empress that Friday evening.
Hey.
Me say, I think God is not like man.
I want to come prove on me. You must see, man.
Oh my God. You guys are so bad. Madam Speaker, you have them doing this to me?
I'm near you, the me.
Perfect. Go look up under your mama where it's correct. Not
to 194 people who never said that. I am never.
And by the time Thursday evening done on Friday, cover Empress that remember church at 8:30. Yo, we said, we remember I think of Bridget. I think of Bridget say I want to we don't know no run jam public from Saturday 6 p.m.
No, we
till
don't.
Friday 6 p.m.
No, we do.
And then we come out early.
We do sunset. And guess what happened? That's why he died on the cross for sinners. And when we go afoul of the law and his commandments and what he has ordained us to do outside, we go to him in prayer and he forgives. He said if we are faithful and just, he will forgive us of all our sins and cleanse us from all unrighteousness. So whatever we do in the week, we can always ask him for forgiveness.
Empress, play the news.
A wonderful God. Amen.
Play the news, Empress. Don't listen to them because the Bible says the devil come in a many form. You see, anytime I start talk, me don't want nobody say anything to me. I want to Nathaniel Bridget.
Him up.
Bridget.
But make you can't take up Nathaniel. You know, long him ask you come up and you not take him up.
Only don't take up Nathaniel. And you only take up Nathaniel at judgment for the life. People are going to vex. Don't take him
Bridget.
up.
No. Yeah.
I want to Nathaniel.
Anyway.
So when you want to come up on the live with it for?
No, you're not going to do that. You're not going to do that, Nathaniel. Call me if anything. Do not do that. Do not do that.
We don't want to disgrace pan the live, Nathaniel.
Do that.
If you can talk about politics, you can come. But if you come about anything else, you cannot come, Nathaniel.
You know, Nathaniel, you know to reach me. Reach me.
Right. You know better with it, Nathaniel.
Yeah.
Because the way you cause PNP people, you're not supposed to bring your business pan public. Oh. If you have the shame. You know, if you have on my life, I say, my light bill at 21,000. And from my pay, my light bill make straight out on the one and cover them straight because I can't pay light bill.
News time.
Sector sustainability. As I had said before, the issue of the 16% fair adjustment is under continued consideration, bearing in mind the effects on inflation, and of course, as they say, bad luck. Every time we're at that point, we either have a hurricane or something to disrupt our economic forecasts and plans. But I give assurance that
What did you play?
Government approved a 35% fare increase in October 2023, but only a 19% hike was implemented. An additional 16% was scheduled for implementation in April 2024. However, due to high inflation, the fare adjustment was not made. The outstanding amount would bring the increase to 35%. Minister Vaz says other measures are being considered to address the rising costs facing the sector.
long-term solutions include fleet modernization through our updated vehicleage policy, incentive for electric and hybrid vehicles, technical and financial training, and improved parking infrastructure. These interventions aim to balance the needs of operators and commuters, ensuring the continued viability of a sector critical to Jamaica's mobility, commerce, and economic resilience.
Darrell Vaz, Minister of Transport, he was speaking during his contribution to the sectoral debate on Tuesday.
Parliament is moving to expand the definition of milk product to apply to items not derived from cows. Agricultural Minister Floyd Green tabled the legislation in the House of Representatives earlier this week.
The Honourable House, I am sure, appreciates that the dairy industry is still very important to the people of Jamaica. The amendment is fairly basic.
On to the news. What happened to the news? God, are the life gone?
No, we there, man, unless Empress move from her phone and she not realize it cut off.
One thing with her, you know, she the right news person, you know.
One thing with her. She just mash up the news.
But I think what Petal then, I mean Petal in that say, but then you tell Petal
Nathaniel say.
you tell Petal say no want on news.
That's what I choose. So we don't want to talk about Nathaniel, man. Change the topic quick. Change the topic for Sir Nat quick. Sir Nat. I don't get a request box too, you know.
Me just send him a message. Nathaniel, go and answer my WhatsApp message. Me just send you a message. Go and answer my WhatsApp message.
Don't get me just go check the request box. Me see don't they print out. If you don't get print out, Bridget, I don't know what do him.
Nathaniel, go and check my message. I just message you.
Nathaniel, go and check Bridget message and go about your business because you hear some people that talk about things for live now, roof program. You run come about you when you talk about nothing. So we are going to talk about. You have one of the strongest mouth on social media for labor, right? You can't bring your business over here. Because they come with them on tape it and rub you out. So then tape Tracy where they and a cuss and a laugh after with it. We can't bring back no more disgrace over here. Please. No more disgrace over here. Then take me alone. Can you know so I can't manage it? They take me yesterday.
Now I hear the news. Okay.
Then you we there cuss you from when about the news?
The news is on.
We not hear no
Oh.
Reports are that on Wednesday morning,
You're not hearing anything.
boys had a dispute, which resulted in one of them being injured. Subsequently, several other fights broke out at the school, including in front of the institution's leadership. In a message to parents and guardians, the school's principal, Keith Wellington, said only students sitting external examinations would be permitted on the campus. DSP Brown says none of the students involved in the altercation have been taken into custody.
A man believed to be a high-ranking member of the Gaza and Harbour gangs operating in Rockfort in East Kingston has been fatally shot by the police. He has been identified as 41-year-old Patrick Thompson, otherwise called Tiger. Reports are that on Wednesday at about 5:40 a.m., the police conducted an intelligence-led operation in search of firearms in the Rockfort area. Upon entering a location, the police reportedly encountered a man armed with a firearm. The police say the man pointed the firearm at them. In a bid to avoid being shot by the armed man, the police reportedly opened gunfire, hitting the man who fell to the ground.
One thing with the police, everybody point firearm at them.
Where he was pronounced dead of survival. His firearm was retrieved and was found to be a shotgun with 4 cartridges. Meanwhile, police sources was previously...
One thing with free police, them you know, everywhere they go. People say...
You're trying to find a good point them.
He was released from prison in August 2025. It's understood that since his release, Thompson has been implicated in a stolen motor vehicle ring. It was also reported that he was seen on several occasions armed with firearms along St. Patrick Road among a group of young males from the community.
Oh my God.
Member of the 666 gang in Denham Town in West Kingston was
Here
shot
again, Bridget.
by
Here
police
again.
early Tuesday morning.
Here. Listen to this again.
It's gonna again.
Reported that at about 5:35 a.m., members of the Kingston Western Special Operations were in Denham Town searching for wanted men, prohibited weapons, and unauthorized ammunition. During the operation, the team went to one of the targeted locations and their presence. The lawmen report that no one responded, so the team breached the door. On their entrance, they reportedly encountered Allen armed with a handgun. Gunfire was exchanged, during which he was pronounced dead at hospital. Head of the Area 4 Police ACP Michael Phipps says Allen was criminal activities across the island.
The now deceased Allen.
My God, one thing with the JCF. Love on a brother.
Where he became a criminal enforcer for the 666 criminal gang. He has since featured a number of gang-related activities.
Tracy said really munchy. So Tracy alive?
Branch for a number of violent crimes and several assaults against
Not Saturday.
with the St. Elizabeth
Oh, she busy.
respect to investigations into the criminal
That's ACP Michael Phipps, head of the area for
Come on,
police.
200
You're
guys,
listening
stop.
to Nationwide News at 5. More news after these.
To close out.
Tracy say really. Tracy, what you mean by really, Munchie? Because I say every time the police then come tell we say people fire pipe gun at them and then analyze them. You don't say nothing. I mean, I did I me can't say nothing. No go so me.
FWA
No,
said
that's it.
the final stages of preparing a $39 million program dedicated to drain cleaning and bushing in St. Elizabeth, Manchester, and Clarendon. It's part of the government's island-wide pre-hurricane mitigation program. The Atlantic Hurricane
You know that me I talk about you now. When you say them tape me, so me never know say them tape me.
Yes, my love. Then tape you make them rub you out.
At the national level.
We have observed increased levels of rainfall over the last.
I don't know nothing to do.
The cover then tape you and say, oh, labor writers suffer. And we tell the labor writers we don't want to talk it on the live and blah blah blah. No, they don't no content to us, so I feel live over here so and tape everything we are saying. I be getting content every day.
But it's one of the most important things we can do to reduce flooding and protect property.
Yeah, man, I content them a look. Them alright, that can't change me from my party.
Robert Morgan, Works Minister. The works are expected to be completed by the end of May. NWA's Communication and Customer Services.
Yeah, what this is a work go on in a Patrick division with a $2 million year, you know. Yeah, expect to see some drain clean and some could work do the money where the government I get to the. I wonder who get the money. The $2 million. Them MP or the councillor.
MP.
Are calling for amendments to the Kingston Andrew Municipal Corporation 1978 signage regulations. They say the decades-old rules are outdated and do not reflect modern advertising technology. Chairman of the iPrint Group of Companies, Stephen Steele, says the regulations need an urgent upgrade.
The laws are, to me, a living, breathing document that should reflect the collective consciousness at the time. So therefore, in 1978, we're now in 2026. A living has passed. So a lot of these regulations really need to be upgraded.
We must up to 200 like people. 200. And we can say no much go on our bed.
Yeah, man. Never can say no one now, yeah. I they come with them, you know, when they over here, they're not giving me no life. They don't like me, they only like colleagues, so. And they go cut me over them page.
Concerning issues and matters. And reading some of these
He was among a group of advertising agents who met with Mayor of Kingston, Andrew Swaby, on Monday to discuss ongoing signage compliance issues. In addition to the talks about reviewing the signage regulations, the meeting also focused on the process to access permits and public safety concerns. The 1978 regulation mandates that any sign placed in public view must first be approved by the Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation, KSAMC. Entities are also required to pay a fee annually for these signs. President of the Outdoor Signage Association of Jamaica, Raul Duani, says the association is collaborating with the KSAMC to regularize signs across the corporate area.
As we've seen over recent years, there is a massive influx of signage being put up on roadways, and we're trying to have some form of regularization around them. At the same time, the KSAMC is on a drive to remove some of this signage, as well as work with the Outdoor Signage Association of Jamaica to bring some form of regularization to it. So this is one in a continuance of meetings to come to some consensus, as well as maybe some possible changes to amendments to the law, if seen fit and approved, in order to make it a much nicer habitat for all players in the outdoor signage industry.
Raul Duani, president of the Outdoor Signage Association of Jamaica.
World in a Minute is brought to you by ABC Electrical Sales. We make things as easy as ABC. Hose assembly and supply.
Thank you so much, Empress, for the news. Thank you. Look here, guys. Maybe that's not but the police, you know. You done?
Yeah, man, we don't need fear nothing further.
Involving school children. The incident was captured in a 36-second video and widely circulated on social media. The man in the video is identified as chairman of the PNM's Port of Spain South Constituency Executive.
Oh, for the news that. All right, Empress, you know you're one of the
students attacking.
What are the Yes, guys. Me not say the police them do not wrong in a Bridget, but
Me know, man.
me I say the police them have got change all the way they write and report now, man.
No,
Them a get
man,
back to
listen.
worse.
Listen,
But
listen.
if you bad man, them fight up, so them wait.
Listen. One day I was listening to Mr. Perkins. Mr. Perkins said, "You're telling me, like you'd say, from 1938, all of them have the same script.
Exactly.
Man pounce upon police.
Exactly,
Man went into nearby bushes. Into nearby bushes. Police fire shot. Man kill. And how come none of the police never did? I laughed that day and he died.
Me very pro police in a Bridget, but no, so them a get from back to worse.
No, but Munchie, if you notice all of the shooting them still, you know. Remember, you know, Indy come to them investigation, you know.
No man, Indy come not start do the investigation for them 2 years yet. But we say overall, me personally as overall,
Yeah,
every day the police they say somebody paying
Yeah,
gun
but
ban them.
But you know what? It's the intelligence, you know, Bridget and Monty. It's the intelligence that they're now getting.
Yeah, intelligent, and then now
And they don't want to take them in alive. That's all it is.
Exactly what them going for.
Yeah,
And as we get so far, none of the all the shooting we're going, even the one where Mark Golden himself, him call Indy come personally himself. You hear him come out, come say it was illegal.
Indy come and reach nowhere. Indy come, you see, that is what I agree with Kamina. Indy come have access to the same amount of resources as the police, where do the investigation.
Yes.
But yet still Indicom cannot complete not even one. The clear up rate is dismal compared to the police force. And that is why Kamina say they don't need nobody wearing camera, because the police now is nobody wearing camera, them a clear up for them rate. We gonna do phone work too. But Indicom not do nothing.
But what may I say, Munchie? What may I say? Number one, if you go on the scene, are you send your investigators, them go there and you take test of the body, you see if there's any gunshot residue on his hand. And if a none right away, you can be suspicious. So well, there's no gunshot residue on his hand, so he wasn't firing any shot. That's the first thing. But so far, you don't hear them say if him did have gun, yes or no, or nothing like that. That the man must be dead and buried all long, and you don't hear nothing about it. Them take two.
Oh, you mean the man in a constituency no bury?
Yes. Then that's so long.
I saw when time police kill you no bury next week, my love. Police have to do all type of things.
It take a while.
But don't know what. But me agree. Look here, guys. You know me very pro police. You know, don't get me wrong, you know. But I don't know. Sometimes me not then touch and go. But
Dujan say my half come begs, brother. Ross. Yes, Lord, I can't bother.
Dujan, me take bad things, make joke, Dujan. But you know what?
But Dujan, you can't. You not half nor 3/4. Nothing. You can't be like them, the people.
But we understand with him, not reject, because you know what?
We understand. And we
all
understand.
Yes. Anything George Wright can't do much because George Wright is not the MP.
Yeah. And me hear somebody say him can get one of the Hope House. George Wright can't recommend him Munchie if he get the member of parliament if he do that. George Wright can't recommend him. You understand me?
We know, man.
That is that's how the politics go. You just what George Wright can do is probably, call 1 and 2 minister on his behalf. You understand me, Munchie? And say, hey, this is my general, what uno can do for him. That is what George Wright can do. But if he call the minister,
I think him can get L through NIS.
Me did ask and no. In
Cannot?
fact, no, but let me tell you when.
I want me. Oh, she get a call. So come. I kind of understand, because you know what? Me kind of understand when time labor rights say them party in a power and them now get no help and they see other people get help. It's not like them a come for come beg or come for handout. So me understand it. It is very frustrating, and that is why me telling you say when we go back to go campaign next year in a 2028 for local government election. What people are going to hear that say them a vote and then now vote for we are what people say them a vote for PNP and now vote for PNP. We cannot allow the PNP to use the government resources to get no vote.
All right, so Munchie, when me did ask about Dojan thing.
Yes.
My link tell me say it's MEGID ministry. Where that the ministry there are?
Minister of Economic Growth. And that's it name? What MEGID mean, guys? Ministry of Economic. I don't know. Growth and what? Where the bright people them there? You don't tell me know that I was. Tell me for that one. No comment and tell me. So we can't go on a ministry. I run a ministry and the Prime Minister run a ministry there. Come here, guys, the bright people them. The MEGID ministry, who that? Raquel, you MEGID, who that? Ministry of what? Ministry of what? Ministry of Economic Growth and Industry Development. Thank you, Nats Data. So who run a ministry? Oh, I've been ill.
Oh.
That's a few business or that's a few also burned down?
I've been ill ministry.
Few business were burned down or few also burned down?
But me did ask my link say his house was totally destroyed. And I asked him if I fee ministry and him said no.
Okay.
He said no. So me go ask him again. Ministry of Economic Growth and Infrastructure Development. Okay, yes. Hi, come on, the guy from G2K. I'm from G2K. I'm named K. Let me know if you're the guy from G2K. Kimani. Oh, here somebody said, oh, hi, Kimani, hi. We just realize it's
Dojan no want to hope host. I know another them program that Dojan does want block, cement and steel, and he can do the rest. He just want the help with it to buy the material. So he can go build back. He no want no hope house and no help to build no house. He just want, and me kind of understand because the material alone are gonna run you $1 million to build back house now. If you start build, if your material alone, because much you ton a steel, how much you cement, you know, so me understand. So yeah. But we have to find a way to help with people there, you know. We have to find a way to help with people them. Different from the ministry, politics, and me agree. And
Madam Speaker, you see, the other night we were here talking about with Tracy, you know, it was everybody's morning coffee the next day, right?
Yeah, so me here say, then tape it and then have it over all over the social media.
So I had to go into somebody who shared it with me, and I said, at least you can't say that one side is getting and the PNP are not getting. So you realize that it's a problem throughout Westmoreland. So labor right, yes, they're not getting, and the PNP not getting, because they tend to say it's only certain people that are getting. So yeah, they had
look here on the PNP, them were tape and I run with my story. If me not talk and if me not come online at the time, I don't know whether you use the content the next morning. If every day when time me dey on my live, then sit down over here. Me hear the other stalker where I start, me say, me over here say me can't pay my light bill and me look money for pay a light bill. Them obsessed with me. Them obsessed.
You can't pay your light bill?
So they hear me and say, they're obsessed with me, man. That's why I not look upon them, because my sister try to get a moment from Madam Speaker. But
did I hear, Madam Speaker, I hear the dumbest thing, that they're going to say that when Prime Minister got up and spoke, that the opposition leader that was not a point of order. You know what I heard somebody said? Oh, it was pillow talk. Now let me ask you a question. Sometimes I'm wondering if people think, how could it be a pillow talk to go at the opposition leader? Did they know that he was going to stand up? Did they know he was going to try to interrupt Daryl Vaz? Like, I don't understand. Sometimes people just talk, they don't think.
I know, say Empress, when one person sits in a PNP, other people run with it and say,
oh my God, they go, it's a pillow talk. And I'm like, but that incident just happened when Daryl was talking and he wanted to interject to say, hey, Daryl was saying something and he got up, not a point of order, and he was there ranting, and the Prime Minister got up and said what he said. And the people were like, oh, that's pillow talk. Well, in honesty, I heard Advocate said to the person, but like, stop talking foolishness, man.
Yeah,
did they know?
And I'm like,
thank you. At least there's a sensible.
Yeah, sometime you, Richard, too, when they come with their foolishness too, Richard will tell and say that's a foolishness and that's a trivial thing. Sometime you, Richard, and sometimes every now and then. Because you have a group of PNP people, mentally say they know nothing at all about them, no smart.
They don't read.
They don't read absolutely nothing for themselves.
God.
Absolutely. I mean, hear them every single night. Because sometimes when I come off alive, I'm go busy body. When I come back before I go to my bed, I walk around, you know. And me realize a trend from them. They talk about, oh, they're sorry for Jamaica, and they're sorry for Jamaica, and they're sorry for Jamaica. And I'm like, sorry for yourself.
Them because sorry for themselves.
All of them don't live, and all of them, you know, they don't live in Jamaica, you know.
Exactly. All of them, when they talk about they're sorry for Jamaica, they don't live here, they just eggs up. Oh, soldier? When then? Soldier thing, private office and request.
Yeah. They better sorry for themselves. I think Tracy the doctor.
Hello. A special people have access to me. You hear me? You hear me? Only special people have access to me. Me no koro.
See, next time you want.
Because in the comment section, you know, so it's not telling you.
Me say, you see next time you want hard.
Ma'am.
You
not
see
you
next
be,
time.
not you be, not for you be.
All right, you see next time you want
hard.
hard.
You're my friend. You're my friend.
You're
my friend. Don't do that.
Before dog, I miss a dog.
Yes.
My dog. A damn dog.
No. Empress.
Sometime when the people.
Yes, dear.
Sometimes when they cover, they say fully next year, I've only got 2 comrades, we say that not sound good for true, but
Tracy.
the majority of them
from pillow talk for man. They were mad somebody. Hey, me say
that's what they feel, man.
I've never seen people like this. Pillow talk.
Hey,
that means that the man and wife. That means that the man and sleep with his wife. I know nothing.
Well, I know. You ever see the dog running the bird? The dog flat the bird flying, the dog running down.
We could never be still when me hear you say what you say. So I want to give PNP a message. Let me give PNP a message there. Because me not going to deal with it. Because I didn't know so they tell me because to me not dependent here. Me not even didn't know that. But listen to me give them something to go chat. You see PNP, then should have, especially PNP in Westmoreland, should have shame of themselves. Amount of PNP done there suffer. All of our years of life, we not suffer, we not dead. So in the day, we not have to depend on PNP. PNP run Westmoreland all the years of my life. We have friends right now, we are suffer, call me and I cry, don't live no way. So that then we got talk about PNP, we don't know Westmoreland, I suffer with PNP in power. And that then we got talk about PNP, there's Westmoreland right now, don't live no way. It's all sad to say, one of my good friends called me and I said, boy, if me can help her because she don't have nowhere to live. So what PNP I talk about? Huh? What am I talk about? And that they forgot talk about and look out for them people. At least me come on labor right platform, I've vent and talk about my family.
Exactly.
So that if you go look both, then we go talk about them people we are suffer, no live nowhere. Right now, me have friends and me have to send go help. And me decide so when me sleep on bag, I got me top. So that if you go talk about,
Tracy,
me give them
remember say-
context tomorrow.
Remember say you go pray for me Friday night, so watch your speech. Remember say.
But I truth, God love the truth.
Madam Speaker, how tight, you know, so careful.
God, me not say nothing bad, Bridget. Me just tell them the truth because amount of PMP done there suffer more labor right now. They don't see that.
Vent, a joke, man.
At that, they if you go make content both. You understand? Because me say, me have people, me have picture now can send over, so I should me not believe in a certain things for social media people. We are suffer. PNP.
Yeah,
we are suffer.
Today, so
that they figure worry about they have pan contents the next day. That they figure worry about the amount of PNP we don't live nowhere. And I look to labor right for help and a PNP constituency all of the years of PNP lifetime. And that they figure worry about.
Exactly.
That's their message.
Yes, and I message. I saw them do me to Tracy and take me yesterday and say, me over here ball say me can't pay me light bill.
Jesus.
And if anybody want to contribute, Mono man could have send me money for pay it, yes, come I don't really want to pay it for you. It pay already, but Mono man could have give me money so me can pay next month.
Exactly. Exactly, Munchie. That they figure worry about.
Them a worry about the wrong thing.
Wrong thing. That's the one exile for them people, all right.
Them a
people don't just suffer the
boy,
shame
not even pay like bill. Them a choke boy.
Yeah. Oh God, I'm if I tell you right now, you see the new policy where them a come out with where they say the new thing for you, where JPS are deal with where you can't chop no way again. You will see all of them will live in a darkness. You will soon see. I mean them a talk about Banangua Westmoreland. I know all of them. You know all of them we are suffer where I run up
BJ Babu. Who name BJ Babu?
Me not know them me love. Me not know none of them the people that will come say they name DJ Babu or DJ.
He never ask Adam.
Let me see if me know him. Let me see if me know him.
Adam,
me not really know him.
You know him
No,
so
DJ Mito. No, yeah.
No, not Mito, Babu.
Not Mito.
Evelyn never ask. From me command about 3 o'clock.
I first now you go Babu.
Say God help those people, man. God help them. Amount of people we are suffer. And they not even look on them to help them.
Ade Munchie, Ade, make we see oh, come know you can't rub him out if you ever make him.
One thing me know me not suffer now. That they if you know they want them to get that message there.
Well, go on,
They not get it. They never get it.
Tell them to get that message there too. They think I'm here suffer.
Tell them
to people who need help. I don't look at the people who need help because the kindness of my heart. Right now, I told me not like talk about things. Don't
talk about this. Don't make them dry up.
Because we have friends with them on the other side when me help.
We don't enjoy your out. Me alone the rap up Tracy. No matter lose the salvation.
And the same people that Munchie, you know what hurt me now? Are the same people that me know where me help, you know, where they pan down road, you know, me see in 6 days they pan bagwagon, you know. That's why me say me never again.
Good evening.
Never again. But me say no, so me can't do that. God will never do that.
Hold on.
God will never do that. Cause guess what? I still got people there.
Remember me?
From where?
Yeah, man, I mean, they on the live one night I talk to the minister, man. I send him all of my information. Then. But I mean, tell us, I go up on the cherry farm, man, I get sent one.
Oh, Babu, when you get drop off of the cherry tree, we cannot pick the cherry good.
No, I didn't drop off. I pick me up.
You there, you said the class, go take it off of the leather and see you not pick the cherry.
Remember, Munchie, remember.
I see some, remember.
So, Babu. So you tell me, so the boss never said nothing to you the first time, just take it on the first chance?
I mean, I tell him right now, me are stressed about him.
They never give no orientation when you go up there the first time.
Not like that, no orientation.
They don't show you,
no
when
orientation.
you go on, all right, when you go on the farm, I say, Babu, they don't say, this is the farm, it have this amount of acres of cherry, and this is where you pick the cherry, and this, you know, they don't talk to you about nothing.
No, sir, we're not getting nothing like that. Because boy, look like in races.
Go pick cherry?
Yeah, like that, I was told you, man, so I mean, come out with nothing at all.
Munchie, add fabulous.
That's harsh to a Babu, me not lie.
So, yeah, you're messing, Madam Speaker.
Yeah, man, that's harsh.
I give you a little strength for me, you know. Although I'm sending me information, I strength it, you know. So I get a little, you know,
the minister have to do an investigation to find out the real reason why the boss.
Yeah, man.
I could have never that alone.
Yeah, man. I tell you that alone. Me would tell
2 days, so you know hear the story. Babo the Aleda and the Bastos go take it on a Friday dance anymore.
So,
yeah, the minister say I'm gonna look into it because I could have never go.
After you spend up your money, all kind of thing.
Yeah, you know, SN that tell no lie. You do my SN tell no lie, you know.
So how much person they send when they send you on Babo?
I'm alone.
A lie.
Something wrong. So me salt, man. Me say me reach home after a ball and I say they want me this happen to me, man.
But in there must ball Babo give you opportunity that you know stop out of your hand.
Yeah, and I want little chances so I get both. Me a
So you
prayer,
didn't get
man.
the farmer card in the first place?
You know, yeah.
Oh, you didn't get the opportunity in the first place?
Yeah, man, I comes from my ear.
Oh my God, I'm sorry for you, Babo. I'm sorry for you.
Rough door. God.
The rough man.
Madam Sister had fabulous.
Babas the wicked.
Right, me I tell you racism.
Yeah, man, the boss the wicked. But you're not the only black man on the farm, so I don't know about the racism part. Kind of like you're the only black man on the farm.
Soldier, mute your mic. Soldier, mute your mic.
The minister,
the
minister have to call up your cherry farm and find out exactly why they take it off of the leather. Yeah, because I could do that, Richard, because 2 days.
2 days alone, brother.
And then I pay up your money and buy ticket and everything. And buy clothes.
Yeah, you remember that speaker? Yeah, you hear me?
One next girl they get sent home to, you know. One next girl gets sent home to. What? Get sent home from. Remember, so one girl did the panic program to Munchie.
You mean don't say something? You know, say DJ. You know,
That girl, 1 second.
I hear me?
That girl, 1 second, Babu. You see that other girl? They talk about the money that she was getting less money, and she spoke out about it. She had an attitude. You've got to be careful when you go working on these spots.
Yeah.
She had a grand attitude.
Yeah.
She behaved as if she wanted to be area to Tugman for all farm workers, and her mouth got her in trouble.
Yeah.
I don't know about Babu's story.
Yeah. We're gonna find out what's wrong with Babu, because the man trim off of the leather this second day. We'll find that out, Empress.
But
those from fear attitude, they can't know why the boss.
Yeah, correct.
Actually, they had a girl in my beat her up and tell her about go and go talk about money.
Exactly.
And then she go talk and she alone knows the job. But then say go.
Correct.
Too busy,
you got it, Madam Speaker. You got it.
Of course.
They want to always
make people beat them up and I love giant crew.
Madam always want to DJ Matty come up. Everybody know that I'm Jamaican. I'm from Jamaica. What does that mean? Okay.
DJ Bubble did want to say something. He never finished him in those say.
Helping get back on the farm work, Bridget.
Yeah, after I come off if I told me go down for me there, I tell you, say, sorry about that, man. Give me a next look, check and chance and something.
Sorry, but what you would have sorry
get up
about?
What
you would have sorry
about? Who said get up and the white man?
He said, no chance.
But what did you do? Why were you sorry?
They kind of pick off the cherry wrong, he said.
That alone, you know, me would tell Empress Madam not speak on a lie.
Oh, he said I picked the cherry wrong, Bridget. You never remember?
Yeah.
And he was like
your wife.
Oh, like I think he was picking the blossom. Cherry blossom. Yeah. I remember it.
Yeah.
And that would have caused
then DJ, you know, should have better sense out. I forgot to pick the blossom.
When he said blossom, not really, you know, because I can show you up on the phone how I pick them good and everything. You just exalted, man.
So you pick the blossom like how one blossom come off with the cherry?
Aye. Yeah, because two of them close and it's easy to come off. But you touch them, they just drop.
Bridget,
first, I pick the cherry too. First, I pick the cherry.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sure you can get another opportunity.
I understand that.
Yeah, more next chance,
we
man,
can't
you know?
pray that even
Baba,
with just some
DJ, Baba, how old are you?
29.
You're still young.
Man.
You can't go somewhere different, man.
You did vote with you?
Yes, man. One jail fee, man. They may have to vote, Madam Speaker.
Babu, you forget another chance.
But Babu, this is not a good time, but I must say
if it's even to go somewhere different.
Run down the minister.
Yeah, because I can't go back there saying.
Work hard. Hope them here say people them now run the joke with them if they do the wrong thing.
Yeah.
You understand?
And
hope them realize that all who want run down farm work hard to go work, hope them understand themselves. I'm sorry for the second time I hear about it, but
Fabulous, can I say something to those who want to go on the program? wherever you're going, you have YouTube on your phone. Look at what they're doing. Look.
But remember, say we couldn't know which part we are going now. But we can't know, because my first time, so we couldn't know which part we did that go. If I
No, but even you don't have access. You don't have Wi-Fi access.
yeah, we have Wi-Fi.
Okay.
But remember, say first time I go, so we don't know which part we are go. Remember?
That's okay. It's a learning curve. What you do once you get to that place and you say to them, so what they do outside? What they do? Oh, we're picking oranges. Okay, you're picking orange. Okay, you just go on YouTube, as he said.
Yeah.
Look how, because sometimes you might be picking and there might be blossoms at the same time. It all depends on where you are. So protect the blossom, because then when you beat the blossom off, then he is losing from that crop.
Yeah, that them did that say.
Correct.
Yeah, that them did that say.
Correct. So just do, it's like a resume. You put a resume together, you're going for a job, you're going for an interview, you want to make sure that you know what the questions they're going to ask about the job. So you do a little bit of study. So when you're asked these questions, you know.
Yeah.
So, Baba, where do you living now?
You do my farming, man. I'm a jelly farming and cane and stuff like that.
Yeah, go on help yourself in the meantime.
Yeah, man, I have to do that. Yeah, you remember that speaker?
Yeah.
Yeah, the police officer come up and say, yes, man, I go help you, man. When you no good on me, I make you get a 8 month and this and that. And so I call him other speaker, he not answer me.
Which liaison office up in Canada?
Black man.
Them don't know where them for. Them the people only get paid for nothing, because me always hear people that say, you know, depend on the farmer, you can't, and you get in any trouble or you need any. Because before you send you home, instead your liaison officer should have called before you send you home. So they can bat for you. You just send you home quick and fast, your liaison officer no answer. Then the people that scam. I would choose a liaison officer, the ministry or the farm people them.
So
I think a ministry.
Madam
Speaker, the people not help the farmer them.
Like how they go on a program, like when him going, it's just that one set programs, because if this happen, the liaison officer couldn't step in and say, all right.
That is the point.
The apple now work.
But the liaison officer was not informed. The man is off for the leather and fling him home.
Yeah, you hear me, Madam Speaker? Yes, man, the liaison officer informed and so on. I mean, come and such and I say, me I go help you, man, and I go send you somewhere.
Yeah, but we couldn't.
That's what he said before you come to Jamaica?
Yes, man, me I go help you, man. Me I go give you a 8 month and this and that.
Jesus Christ.
Match me up, me I call him and answer. Because me even have one cousin up there. He did give me a liaison officer number, me call him. And the man say, yes, man, me I go help you. And me do all of that and the man turn it down. Mash me up, man, because I want to stand me go up there in a virgin. I don't know what happened. I don't know if it is.
I know you can't recover, Babu.
Why me all get slim out, man? I go tell no lie.
So your girlfriend take it when you come down?
Why Madam Speaker, me can't tell him, man. No, me can't tell him say that go on. Me can't tell him.
So she don't know what go on?
Me can't tell him.
When you come down and she say you come down so quick, what she said to you?
He must say, when you come so quick, I have to say, boy, crap done in a virgin.
2 days?
No, remember say you have time. You know, come down the exact 2 days and I was 2 days my work and you have to book your plane for your ticket. So you know it will take like 1 week or gap between.
Yeah, but she thinks she really believes your girlfriend for 1 week and crap done. She have sense. She could never believe that. So when you come down, she happy to see you and so?
Not really, man. Because I tell you, there was one short time.
So you could have bring down the little to go. You don't get to pack no suitcase or nothing.
I want to tell you, I bring one person in a Madam Speaker.
And if you get the money we crop, you spend it off.
Alright, I go there with her. Me have 400 Canadian and I get 4 from the boss. Because when I just reach out there and give you $400. So I buy some little something. I buy some little underpants for my son and some little stuff.
Yeah, the back.
I may have one little change. Me have one little change, man.
Thank God. Look how we come from foreign empty and in a bubble.
That's true, man.
What part of Canada you were?
British Columbia.
Oh, you were in BC.
BC, yeah.
BC, okay.
Hopefully you can get another chance. So you talk to your counselor, wait for your cousin to tell the counselor about it, Babu?
You know, I didn't get to him.
Get to him, man. Get to him because him, if you just get to him back again and make him know what go on and tell him, say, you know,
yeah.
the minister will look into it and see if them blacklist from the program and see. Because once they're not blacklist, you can go back.
Yeah, I mean, go down, they go check and they say you get black.
You get black?
Yeah, me that tell them Madam Speaker.
You can't go back then, Babu.
Yeah.
Lord Jesus, keep me near the cross.
That is just that the blacklist your bubbles. Just that.
Yeah, but somebody tell me say can't clear still from the minister get involved. Look into the situation. If the minister get involved and do the investigation, you didn't wrong you, it can't clear. But if the evidence show say you was wrong, then can't clear your Lord, Babu. Then do you, Babu? What could I call if I would be then with the Babu?
You know what be
Babu, go and pick off the blossom. I tell you, say I pick off the people.
But I mean, come on, everybody deserves a second chance.
Tell me a soldier, but oh God.
No, but in honesty, he didn't do anything.
Them deal with him harsh. Them deal with him
harsh. Babu.
Did
they talk to you?
Me not talk to people, but him sound like a youth I really did want.
Yeah, man. I tell us one like a chance.
No, but Babu, did they give you an orientation? Did they give you an orientation?
No, we're not getting orientation. No orientation.
No, so come on. Now, if you didn't get an orientation where somebody take you and said, okay, you're going to be picking cherries. These are the blossom. Just to be careful. You have to pick it like this. This is how you do to save the blossom. And you go, you're not thinking about it. You're thinking about just picking the cherries and you have to pick it by a certain time and a certain amount. Like, that's not fault of yours. Exactly. You admit guilt. You admit that you were not aware. And you admitted you didn't lie about it.
Yeah. If you come down and me call the officer, I'm telling you.
To your own self, you were truthful, and I don't think you should be penalized. I think you should have been given another chance. I'm sorry. You don't sound like a bad person.
Yeah.
No, honestly.
But I just, Babu, not you. But I just want to put this out.
Don't worry, Babu.
Yeah, man.
I just want to put this out to young people or anybody at all. We have phone. Let's use it. Let's use it. It's not like first time. Everything is at your fingertip. If you're not sure what to do, ask the phone for help. It is there at your fingertip. Not just for Babu alone.
When the man look, Bridget. When the man looking at Babu basket and see what a cherry, what a blossom in it.
What a blossom.
That's the club.
Baba,
When the man looking at Babu bucket and see what a blossom in a Babu bucket.
The blossom I want to get back more cherry, you know. Yeah.
When the man looking at Babu bucket, Bridget, and see him on a blossom, the man ignorant, the man take Babu a five. After the letter and send him home immediately because the man upset. The man say, imagine. You're cutting to me profit by picking up the blossom. You have to go, my dad.
And next year, crap your garden.
That's great. Mr. When the man look, we said, if I don't want 1 or 2 blossom, it will not somebody. When the man look and see half a Babu pick a blossom.
No, sir, you must shut my business.
The man said, no, sir. You have to go. You're not sensible. It's family, oh God. Baba!
Oh, sure, Babu.
God, Babu. And then just wanna why you end up at the farm the car. I want to hear the sitting for picking up because you can't separate the cherry from the blossom.
Yeah, man.
It look like how excited Babu it is. The main business.
Babu, so glad you got for it. Babu, now pay attention.
Yeah. Hush, Babu.
Oh, Babu. Jesus Christ, Babu.
We are going to sow with cherry.
Yeah, you'll get another chance, man.
Yeah, man, I know, man. I pray, you know.
Remember some you
Yeah,
switch
man.
up on the program, you see where it's on the top, now they gone back already.
Yes, man.
You just need it, and you have the right help the minister.
What do you munchie? Bless them.
When the man looking at the bucket, Bridget.
Missing words and that and then go back.
When Boss looking at the bucket, Bridget and Boss say, but wait. This man you pick more blossom than cherry. This man you pick one down. Man say, come for me. Come down for me. Come down for me, ladder.
Come on for me, war, not ladder.
When Babu come down for ladder, Babu so nervous, Babu drop to his knee. I say, get up, you got to go.
Yeah. And what's in a blossom there in a bucket, though? A blossom there.
Well, then they jump off on that tree.
So when the blossom then drop, Babu, if you're in that bucket, you jump on the bottom of the tree.
Yeah.
That means I look the man look around and see, but it's even worse. It's even worse.
Yeah, I see man see them again.
It's even worse because I look the man look around and see the blossom them.
We are wasting man. But you're not easy.
We have to take bad things, but you have to get another chance though.
I'll go on the farm, so they come over here.
Yes, darling. Go and rest yourself.
Yeah, man. But Nara soon come here, Babu.
Yeah, man.
Nara soon come.
Remember remind the minister to check into Babu.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
I'm going to talk to your counselor too, Babu. I'll talk to your counselor too.
Yeah, man.
Send him go pick up, man.
Yeah.
Just say,
Yeah.
Put them out. But I go back on the cherry farm. And the cherry program still.
Babu say, I say, come on, I feel that man. You guys are joke.
Maxine said, Babu a DJ, if he can go keep party.
Maxine, you're not gonna laugh after Babu calamity, you know. After Babu calamity, I can't.
Oh man, I don't make you left, man. He don't live long time, Mali, man.
No, man, he just come up here because long time, he never did say I said request from
a long time, he must say nobody not pay him no man.
He want, and a friend yesterday in company live and I called Lexi Wall.
For a long time and nobody not let him up.
Yeah, man. He no come about politics. He come about in farm work and in cherry picking. Jesus Christ.
You see how him know Munchie. We find we are helping because him seek out, him not let up. You know what them way that is consistent.
When they like the handouts cover them.
Yes.
Munchie and Bridget, Babu Ongo thank God. In a ban after my country and in after my time. In Ongo thank God. In a ban after my country and after my time. I don't have to go in a hiding. You don't have to go in a hiding. You have to go in a hiding when them boy don't do them.
But you not tell people so you not tell people you know that's a problem. It's not even counselor wait him the ticket, you know, go back to go tell. You not tell people, you not tell nobody.
Yeah, you know, go in a hiding when they don't do them.
Like a counselor have to tell the truth.
Yes, we're telling you.
Him can investigate it and see what really happened.
Bridget and Munchie, when me see couple man unalive, you know, in our training, you know, I say, when we are training, I say, you know, that go on. Munchie, but when me remember, the man them when me live, you know, they say, well, me have to dead too, you know, coming. I go back, you know.
Your mother can't go down, you can't go back down go face them, probably.
What you be going?
You can't go back down go face. You're happy, come out, you have to finish the training.
You have to go back in your uniform.
You have to come down in your soldier uniform.
When me say to one say, when I time we get wicked enough, I tell us, all right, 157 hours started training. And 110 graduate. Man dead, one dead. How much you run away? How much you mash up? Get serious injury through training. Yeah, me tell you say it did rough. It did rough. But one thing will keep me is me know me cannot go back to my district. Me cannot go back into that. Me cannot go back into that. Me know me can't. Because me know me just expire. Me would have to find place go. Because when the man they done with you, I rub your robot, man. Robot. So I say, me I don't know. No next only time I see me in my uniform I come here.
Oh, you mean?
No other time. Yeah. No, yeah, hey, so some things in a man, hey, Jamaica rough, you know. Jamaica no want eat Jamaica rough, you know.
And Jamaican people with different man.
Different. Oh, man, me tell you, man, when a man a mouth you, I never seen the man, nobody feel like it a tap.
That's why Babu can't tell nobody we go on for the farm.
Munchie. When we did it on the program, you know, about 6 hours we did there. We got one place named Vermont.
See 100 lives say you want to come up, Munchie.
We want to come do, you know. We want to come do no 100 lives. We want to come, we can story you want to come join up, you know. We are doing it.
And we got one place named Vermont, and 6 hours living at the house, 6 ladies. And one girl did that, never forget her, she named Diane, one Indian girl. And one girl named Ruby. Ruby come from, I was the only Kingstonian, all of them come from country. Cause most of the country people used to go on farm work. And Ruby could have mouth. And Ruby said to every morning, Ruby, get up and mouth, then I tell her, say, Miss Lady, them must sit down there cook our breakfast for your husband, you know. Every morning, you know. She gets up, she mouth Diane. One day, you know, we catch Diane run her back, I call her husband. I hope nobody know down there. Miss Diane.
We said the boat didn't get to Diane.
The dead boat didn't get to Diane. Diane, I call the man and say, I hope nobody know down there. Everybody, yeah, Ruby, hey, I saw the morning, go see breakfast, go see fried up, you know.
Oh God. Oh God.
And you can't take mountain, you couldn't live with them, the girl then. Them mountain to yourself. And you can't make them know say you're vexing. Me say, nobody else will get mountain in her house more than Diane. Nobody. Because she just couldn't hold it. You know what I mean? Everybody else hold. No matter what them mountain, we just hold your composure. We said, Diane vexed that Diane, and she, you know, she didn't run off. She was, you see, every day she cut him and say, I hope she, you know, nobody down there cook breakfast. And she was the only one that run off.
All right.
He
might have gotten story that the man was cheating.
Only one that run off.
Somebody down there cook breakfast, man, for sure.
Indeed.
She was the only one that run off. The man in that cook, nobody down there. Nice guy on his side and encourage. Diane was a nice, pretty Indian girl, and never forget her. Yes, so she didn't marry. She said to run off, she now go back. That didn't have their intention.
Diane, when Diane leave Jamaica, Diane know she didn't go back down there no time soon.
Yeah.
Diane know she didn't go back down there.
But I hope nobody know down there cook breakfast. Oh, never them Ruby.
Bridget, remember when they used to go to the embassy and them used to give you like one entry and them look away there?
Yeah.
And I every time they say, you're not going to and I say, I'm not going because if I ever go and then give me one entry, I'm not coming back. So, I mean, obviously, you know, if they ever give me one day, I'm not come back to Jamaica. So I'm not going to look the visa. If they give me one entry, I'm not come back.
Anybody remember we share them cut out them something there, one entry and start get 10 years? Anybody remember?
I remember. So I remember, sir.
Bridget, when Nathaniel there, she in Ghana.
Me.
I calm him down.
Me have to calm him down, man. Me texting one away and no.
So he get on a better mood now.
In better. We just tell him, Sophie, as long as he get access, Munch, you know we can't help him.
Right.
Let me just tell them say, you was
Then that we tell them, me see comrade them a circle round. I want a circle round but over here for now, comrades. I want a circle come about now. Me soon a circle, you know, what go on now. I want to hear what me say. I want to call look for me, you know, because one thing we do, you know, when time not tape me, when you get to yourself worked up and then you come over here if you come cuss me. Remember, me not come over on the place, you know. When you come here, tape me a cuss, you know, and then you know, get to yourself so upset and worked up, then you come over here and look for me if you cuss me. If I me like you want to hate somebody so much, me not waste time and tape them in a Bridget, because me don't want you ready to say.
Me say.
Then go to them way if you tape me and then they turn around and make themselves upset.
But Munchie, me see no teeth come back from China. Can me see
Ingram, Ingram this morning go live this morning for sure.
He's been back from China from when? He's been back from about Monday. I saw him on
no teeth up and running.
Yeah, man.
Me not see him from this man at the first. Me see him this morning.
This morning me see him.
But so many in my deep sleep. Me couldn't get to stop.
Me the only person that don't believe saying Graham did go now.
Come on, he went.
You did see when him a bit board here.
No, I didn't, but I believe he went, and I'll tell you why.
Him.
Yeah, I believe he went. And you know what happened?
Him near come ready now.
And I believe can ask him about because the girls. Okay, so anytime he come, ask him Munchie because the girl said it's like the chip, your own chip, don't really work over there. What they were using was like WhatsApp, not WhatsApp. WhatsApp don't work because you know they jam the thing you don't. They want you to buy this card, and it was the communication was really really bad, so you couldn't get to talk on
Mika, he would have got it. Me would have fit that China and he land side of me.
Yeah, but ask him because I tell you the girls had a.
Me not go see him for ask him if he not come over here because me not see him live. Me never even know when to come back from Monday. This morning I sleep. Me a scroll come this morning I woke up 5 o'clock for some reason. I don't normally get up so early, you know, Bridget. And me take up my phone and I scroll on Facebook, on TikTok, up and down all over. And me running in Ingram. Me don't normally go to answer early, so me see him.
What was it dinner like? You ate light?
No, me not eat no dinner yet.
Pick up yourself in a KC.
Me no start me today first. Me go eat my vegetable. Me buy some carrot, cabbage, lettuce, everything.
Good girl.
Munchie, KC, our friend. Have a nice.
Who you KC?
My friend, a few. Anybody have me a friend? I just accept me.
Say we have a friend in KC, but go and stay. Yeah.
All right. So we are go in restaurant go eat when we done. You know, don't so.
So when restaurant there, don't man take up here?
No, all over.
So we are got all over go eat.
Yes, yeah, man. We have to go support your friend. Hey, Marcus got where we do. Love my friend.
Watch here.
So what kind of restaurant? So when kind of food you cook at the restaurant?
You didn't come
nice food, man. Jamaican
Tuesday. What happened? But I'm glad you're doing good.
The principal, the used to be principal, the former principal. Now in them KC.
No, sir. No.
Teacher. And him.
I don't know I know him as a chef, so I don't know if he was a school.
Okay. The same one when you O'Keefe, not like him. O'Keefe can get 2%. I can't see there.
Me only know my friend as a chef. O'Keefe can't tell me. O'Keefe can't tell me.
Casey were always on here too. Neighbor, anyway, during election, right through. One of our friend Casey too. So I don't know.
Two different Casey.
Look so.
Yeah, one Casey were always over neighbor. But you know, me not see over neighbor for a little minute now. And then you have Bridget friend. Oh, you know, a long time I don't go over neighbor still because I know the time them now match up, so me not really see what going over neighbor.
Laurie, you might be more in a restaurant now, my darling.
It's not KC restaurant, it's a caretaker for all Arbor restaurants. So they know people business.
Right.
Mr. Laurie, I don't think restaurant.
No, she was right. She's right. She used to work with him. Him used to work in his restaurant. But through the word politics and I think them, him a laborate and whatever. So him open him own business now.
Okay.
Him open him own business now, Laurie.
So Laurie used to work with Casey. So Laurie, we don't know if Casey opening one a business.
Oh God. Laurie, now no say the laborate step up, man.
Okay.
Laborate step up and are doing business. Good business too.
Okay.
Yeah, man, him have him own business, Laurie. Leave the thing alone.
Which is a good thing.
Yeah, that's why we have to go support him.
Yeah. If you don't all about the far, but I don't know where you do, but we go see, huh?
After no walk where I walk.
Yay!
I don't walk where I walk, but
I feel take a ride.
Yeah, we take what JUTC bus.
Yeah.
No, but who don't drive down there? Come on now, no walking.
So Empress, when you come to Jamaica, drive?
Excuse me? As I get off the airport, I go pick my ride, come and pick me up.
So some people in a foreign they can't drive at Jamaica, so.
Please, me, nobody.
Light.
Listen, let me tell you, as soon as I get at the airport, my guy come and pick me up. And we go up.
When you say guy, you mean your boyfriend?
No, not at all. Not at all. Meaning my driver who I rent from. They come and pick me up and he knows I'm coming.
Me have to ask, Empress, because...
No long distance. No. We don't import the problems from home to here. Not at all. With the troubles and crosses we have here, we try to keep it and work it out. The long distance thing, not for me.
Just say you don't care, San Garcia.
No, we don't. Hey, if my ex-husband said to me one day, he said, "I go Jamaica." So I said to him, "You not carry your wife? Why you not carrying your wife?" He said, "My brother said me no care, son go see." I said, "All right, wait your back, so I go and get in trouble." So done. Go to Jamaica, come back, and my shoulder start a ball for me. He said, "Come on for me shoulder." No, I took my shoulder. Me tell you.
Kamika, so when me go, me drive perfectly. Hey, Munchie the road. Munchie not tell them me alone and you drive go.
So Kamika she drive per wrong side of the road.
I nearly lost.
No. You know what I do, Bridget? You know what I do, Bridget? When I'm driving, I never take the lead to make a left turn. I never take the lead. You know how they're disgusting in Montego Bay? And there will be and they'll cut in before all the way up to the and you're gonna make that right turn. I let them cut in and I follow them because if I take the lead, I'll be going into the left lane, so into the right lane. So I was like, no, I give them the lead, so I'll never do a left turn, never.
Yeah, Munchie go over Portmore one night when me reach a 3 mile. Yeah, me Munchie will be turn.
No, man. I know. I can manage myself.
Yeah, but then time we are parental, but no we are professional. We don't do.
When you come to Marcus Garvey,
you know what the trick me coming? Cause it was night and me never know the
road is not lit, Bridget. The road is not
after
lit.
the bridge, make it.
Yes,
before you get to the bridge. Right before you get to the bridge, you make the left turn, right? Coming off Marcus Garvey, is that it? Okay.
No, you keep underneath the left and you go underneath. If you go on top of the bridge, you go in Kingston. You know, remember?
Are you talking about 3 miles?
Yeah, we were going over Portmore. So I think you keep
but where you coming from?
Dwayne Park. We came off the
Oh, so you would have to come down like you go to Kingston and then you veer off to the right.
I think at the left, man. No, is the left.
Man, it would be right. Because left, when you're coming up, I traverse that route all the time with my niece. I'm coming from Supreme Court.
Tell me,
because we are foreigner, we don't know. But if you
drive on the bridge, but you can drive on the bridge when you go to Portmore.
No, if you go up on the bridge.
No, you can't go on the bridge. You have to go down underneath.
You have to go underneath the bridge.
Yes, you have to come underneath and come down, and you make a right. You veer off to the right.
Oh, your marshal say right. You let me make the feature.
Listen to me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Be nice to me.
The last.
I tell you, it's a right because when me and my niece coming from, we make a left.
Let's see what, but Michelle, let's see what we lost. Cause Mickey herself not really man. She you know, me gotta see what we lost. No, Michelle. We gotta see what we lost.
I'm always driving because I want to drive.
Me ask Munchie what me tell
But me don't know neither.
Me don't know neither.
When me left Kingston in 2018, that bridge I never built yet. So I wrong person share ask.
Oh, mercy.
Because people drive, the only person drive me, when I go down, the only person that drive me is my niece, her husband, and I don't.
3 Mile? Eh? 3 Mile was coming from?
When me
we come from Dwayne Park.
Dwayne Park, where I come from?
We come from Dwayne Park. And when me come home, I want to be friend of a pilot. I didn't pilot, we come straight at Dwayne Park.
Yeah, but me can't drive in a Kingston because me never learned to drive.
You don't put on your GPS. You don't put on your GPS.
No, me can't drive with GPS. Me last a couple.
Me never put on me. No, when we were coming back, it was a group of us. So I was okay because we met up over there. So in pilot, when we reached a certain point, I know exactly where I was.
Okay.
When me got airport, when me go airport, when me come from airport, no, me got to when me left Mandeville and I got airport to pick up people. Me know if you go, me know so if you can't come down the road and me know if you do and whatever. But you can't ask me nothing more. One road. Me know if you do far. Me can't detour, me can't go nowhere. No, that's why me can't drive going away, because me can't find my way.
For me, let me tell you, every back road I know. Every in and every back road.
Munchie, the other day I go Mandeville and me last on the new road, the new highway went before it.
New toll?
Yeah, me last straight because I was going Mandeville.
Which part
of the highway? You took the highway from after
up at NCU side. For the last.
Me last, but me have to ask direction to come back and to find the way back at Poros.
Yeah, she lost, bad. That's what me last to, so me not talk. So me last everywhere me I go, me never can go no way straight yet.
I'm not that bad. I drive around the island. I go to Spanish Town. I'll drive down on the come in Anway, or if I want to go, anytime I do South Leg is long, coming down Spur Tree. Man, I love to fly off that hill. I love it. Oh man, I fly down that hill.
From me live in Mandeville, me never drive down Spur Tree.
Listen, I only need a pair of wings coming down that bad
crazy.
boy.
I look from me live. I mean, never drive down Spur Tree.
What?
Never.
Oh my God! Yes, there's a part where the road open up to about 4 lanes or so.
Yes, you're crazy.
Shalama.
Me never drive
It's only a wing I need. Oh,
I mean the corporate sales for 10 years actually, and drive right round actually. I mean still I go country the other day and last.
No, sir. You know the only place I don't know, guys, laugh at me. I don't know Eastern. I don't know past Harborview. Nope. Been to Portland.
You don't know past Harborview. You don't know Bull Bay.
Put up your mouth. Keep it. Don't say anything. No way, Bull Bay. No way, 7 miles. No way. What I said to you? No way, Bull Bay. No way, 7 miles. No way, St. Thomas. No way. No Portland. Go from Montego Bay, St. Mary, Portland, coming over. Yeah, but do not know. I've never been to St. Thomas. The only parish. Never. Not nice. Not nice.
At least me know the 14. Me cannot drive going away, but at least me know the 14 parishes.
Yeah.
Like one bad impress.
13. I don't know that St. Thomas.
We can't drive going away. Me last the simplest. When me never go up at Twickenham Park, you know, me never guide me and care. We saw me drop him off and everything. Me never tell me about 10 times where to turn here and write pen paper give me there.
Jesus.
When me there driver come down. When me look at stop me into town, me head me love.
All right.
Me
So
take the
when you
wrong
come out
turn,
of
I look-
Twickenham, you're supposed to make a right turn
Oh
and head
no,
towards
me miss
Spanish
the turn
Town
a
and the
long
bridge.
time. Me look and realize say me head like me head into town, me love. Me have to go down past the bridge, turn like go down town and go down at that little open place there and turn around and turn back and go back on my yard. Me last
So you
love.
could have go right to Jose Marti there, so and go the roundabout and go back
Excuse
on
me,
the
we could
back
have.
of
Oh
Spanish
no,
Town
we
and the
lost
back
long
road.
time, Impress.
Oh yeah,
Last
yeah,
long
yeah,
time. Me say me
Ooh.
say the big sign, me see and realize it me out of what is high school name?
You mean
What the high
Osemadi?
school name me there? What the so?
Osemadi?
Oh no man, the high school.
Idel.
Out Hydel me there. Go sit down.
Tidal. Ooh, out of ferry
Ferry me there.
Allah masala makashala.
Me no know. I pick no partner come from me there.
Rashima, if I know you can't turn back, you know. There's no way you can turn back this stuff.
Turn back. Another so me drive go straight and then the road go halfway and the road go downtown. Me go down downtown and go down
Washington Boulevard. You go towards Washington Boulevard and turn.
Another so me turn. Me go continue drive along. Me continue drive and go down the road me there. Yeah. This simplest thing the last for me love. And nothing wrong with me. When it comes to last sin, I made that. Me nothing about me no when it comes to last sin.
But we will
all of me got swearing in for the Prime Minister. Me want this labor right. Me last the labor rights if you come pick her up down at the new plaza down at Maypen me there. And when me drive and before me catch on the new part, me could on the new part of the highway, go on the other part where pay. So if you turn left and come this up and me go down. She said if you look over the right hand side, me see one brand new plaza where I build. After me no reach over there, so me love 100 times. Me turn back and turn around. All me had to do I go through the stoplight and go around and go on the right hand side, I just drive over the plaza and me couldn't find me there. About 100 times. At one time I said no, so me go over the stoplight and see me. And when me go over the stoplight and go right. And I look over on the right, you see the sign tell us if you turn if you are going to the plaza. Me there, me last right there, so. And I look at the last, that's why I don't bother with the driving, because driving enough for me. Me no really, me no can't manage it. Me no follow instruction well. Me know. Yeah, this is when the bush no shame again. You say me worse than you. Me are the worst. Me are the worst driver upon road. Me are the worst. Everybody know about me. I can't, that is why I cannot go nowhere. Because I can't drive myself go nowhere. No, we're at the least thing we keep, I cannot go. Because I cannot drive myself go. No matter where I keep.
You know, so what them Empress Peter Gay said she never hear this yet. When me, you know, so me and you and North Carolina, I may go somewhere. I weigh them, you know, Jesus have mercy. If you make the wrong exit or if you're supposed to come off at the exit and you don't come off,
you're just dead. You're just dead. Just dead, Bridget.
You know what happened to me, soldier? You know, say me last. And you know, say the GPS carry me back at my house and me never know. When me drive here, me but hold on. Then my lad treat me back.
Anyhow, me have a meeting.
Later, soldier. So Bridget, me can't give you grace, Bridget. We can just move this one like me.
Yeah,
you know.
Them the highway that with me sis. If you say come off at exit 12 and you make a mistake and come off at 13, hell and powder house.
Oh yes,
me exit. And I'm reach way down on one place. I mean, say Jesus Christ, me last. And you can't stop on the highway, you know?
No.
You just cannot stop. So but remember say me and Munchie go somewhere when Munchie did come.
Exactly. Remember we got the airport, a piece of sitting with we and the airport and we put in the
you know, see 100 live.
The GPS.
You don't see
a piece of something to get to the airport. And it's not like a far JFK there, you know.
No.
And the route where the GPS carry me and Bridget Pan, that is not the real route. It's like a far route and put with Pan Bridget, because we don't know this, sir. Let's sit down. We don't know. You think this say?
We last till we fought here.
Yeah, we last.
One chuck man behind me. Pop.
Yeah. Oh God.
I don't know far from JFK.
No, never live far.
So the route when GPS carry on a long route that, I know far route.
Are you anywhere close in Springfield area, Bridget?
No, man.
Springfield area?
No, that is Queens. Springfield, Queens.
Queens, yeah, Queens, Springfield.
Yeah. Me and Munchie was going JFK.
Okay.
So where are we? Me not even.
I remember we lost, man. We reaching out, but
would that be the Van Wyck is down the bottom? Would that be the Deegan?
No, the Van Wyck is the Van Wyck.
The Van Wyck. Okay.
Yeah.
See, me know a little bit of something of nonsense in New York. I used to be down there like crazy.
We're reaching out.
Bertie, where
we follow the GPS now. We reach. It's just
JFK is in Queens. I know that.
We don't know we don't know. But me show me prone to last. When other people last with me, don't mind. Cause me live central, you know. And if me I go up a Christian, me can't find me way to Christian from where me live. So me know say me know say me
much more than the highway.
Yeah, me know say me there zero when it come to driving. Cause me can't where me live, me can't find way to Christian.
No, Munchie, just because me miss the turn when the GPS tell me if turn, me never turn. That is why it may mess me up. That is why it messed me up. Me never turn. Like he said, me should have exit 6. Me got straight in front of me. By the time I realized I could not turn again.
Couldn't turn back.
Yeah, couldn't turn again. Oh, for last we laugh at that. Anyway, you come at this place, you know, last, you know, come America.
Actually.
Last pan train.
You know, I've never been on the train, Bridget. I've never been on a train.
First time I go on the train, Bridget, the first time I go on the train in New York, then one come beside me and grab my suitcase and run gone with it. Just stay there.
Lie.
That's swear to God.
Oh, we never go on the train, Munchie, because we used to drive go everywhere. When you come, we drive.
Yeah, but I never, and at 2015, the first time I got to New York, then the man come beside me, Bridget, and grab me suitcase. I'm so frightened, me freeze. The man just look back at me and laugh and gone up the stairs with and jump in the train. Me at the train station. Yeah.
I like the train. Me not like the train.
Knox say, no, me still a last.
Yeah, you will last, man.
Listen, me frightened, Bridget.
Anyway, Bertie said, Nara gone. Bertie, what you mean by that? Nobody, you know, me get nervous. Me no say, what you mean, Bertie?
I saw Bertie stay. Bertie don't want pure politics. Bertie want to talk on his program.
We are talk something else. Why Bertie?
Pure politics. Bertie want to talk.
Sometimes you can't take a break, man. No?
One thing with Bertie, I go tell me say go back to the politics. So sometimes I cuss and I go back. Bertie I come in and tell me say go back to the politics. If you left that alone, think Bertie wrong. Oh no, Bertie I rock and I go tell me say rest that man. Tomorrow
after the Senate. Yeah, right. After the Senate meet tomorrow.
Listen. You all don't deal with your thingies in here tomorrow, okay? We start in church on time.
You're there.
7 o'clock Eastern. 8 o'clock.
So I'm to the Senate.
We take it up Sabbath evening to sunset.
Jesus Christ! So we're because we have to get we have to know what's going on in the country.
We have to know. Yes, we're gonna know what's going on in the country, and then we keep it until after the Sabbath. We discuss it.
Oh, so we're gonna watch the Senate, but we're not gonna discuss.
Watch it. Yes. No, after sunset. We sunset Sabbath evening. We do.
Yeah, you're right. Because sometimes it's the Bridget.
Because when you start, you see that Bridget now stop and she go on and she listen. She's very detailed. And before she knows, she don't have any regards for my Sabbath. And she ready to tell me that, you know what, my prayer, because my prayer to catch a rooftop and in that blessing shade. And so I don't want her to come and mash up for church tomorrow evening. You hear me? And I'm done speaking.
I agree with you. Because you see, Bridget, she don't take with church serious. Because she said we are one day Christian. Yes. I can't take me serious because on Saturday alone we are balling a screen.
Only Saturdays alone we holy.
Yeah.
Yes.
We can't take our Christianity serious.
Hey. Come up on to church.
One day to recognize.
The one little day we get for rest.
Still love Sister Bridget still enough because she ever come over one day. The Bible tells us other sheep I have which is not of this fold, but one day they're gonna come over. So we have to continue to pray for Sister Bridget.
Hallelujah. Continue to work.
Yes.
Working in the vineyard for Sister.
Fred and me gone listen politics. We're not good.
We over neighbor.
Yes, me love, you know, so me a member over there already.
You remember? Aye.
No, so you're founding member over there.
Yeah, you're paid membership.
Yeah, man, you're founding
Watch you.
father.
So Bridget, you can come bless with your offering and then you go on.
Yeah, man. And the only time I come at church if you conduct the service.
Yes.
And you are Munchie or Empress? Hell no. Them are still in the same boat.
Allah, yeah.
No, my sister Munchie just said.
Me come Munchie or Empress in a dance. I don't know how they pick up. When me looking at that, me see Munchie or Empress. I don't know how they never see Tracy
I testify to you.
I never see Tracy and my dad when me go.
Never.
Me only see Empress.
Yes.
God. Would you just tell her? Said, though our sins may be many like the sands of the sea.
Bridget, me see
Oh, dear Lord, blood is shed for us. All right, amen.
Me see my niece Navi last night in a pure nice calm music she play from her auntie raise her and tell her no bugo yaga pure nice decent music.
I said you go on a live this man and then fix our business.
Lord have mercy. Oh God. He help himself, but
I tell up on a live and then put some lick on our back. You see,
Fabulous. I bet you the decent music I play never see Empress in there. You see Empress?
But to see Jesus.
Okay.
When she opened that fab.
Okay.
When did she open that?
I think it's after Madam Speaker close.
But can I tell you something?
And hear me put
you look like you gone to bed to Empress. Everybody got to bed.
Listen to me, I went right to bed. Can I tell you?
She alone was there.
I was
and you should have played the Bugo Yaga. Empress would have find
no, sir. Me not into the Bugo Yaga Jaga. I'll take it when like it.
We go over neighbor
Fabulous. And how she want go from platter. Me, you can't preach over me.
You never saw me and I never Empress.
Good last week they gone over here.
Max Data, what's up? What's up? No, make them mix up, you know. But to mix you up in a banger.
Next that.
I'm get busy this evening, man.
Next come to church at night time.
Sing.
Yeah. No, let me go.
No, come in never see next night
You
church.
still can't come not you know to be Adventist, but you can come, man. Come sing and pray with us.
Politics we talking all week. Monday to Friday.
I'm not an Adventist and I go to church.
Yeah, one Queen D always there, and she has Sunday worshiper. They can come. That's that.
The Jamaica Labour Party will never tear down. So all you know, wish on no ball on no roll on no tear down on yourself. That will not happen. Punkusan and Squitty can't have a problem. Just like how they tell us, hold on, man. I'm gonna miss out him out a little bit. Just like them they tear you down the other day, and every minute they ask you if you go pay back the lady her money. I see everything now. Caution. So.
If you go buy bed cover for the human bed in peace.
It was them a big people. They make that out then thing.
Yeah, man. Rub you out over your side.
They rub you out over there. Me your Derval rub you out. Me your mama son rub you out.
No, but all I know we don't know if you pay the woman for your food them don't town. So we don't know how you come and tell me.
If you not get one of the container houses to live in and come out of the car.
We don't want your body no war.
Unkus are sticky, no own a body for nothing, and they don't have nobody food. So therefore they
have their differences, they can sort out
this. Nobody for no food.
They don't want nobody for no food.
They don't want nobody for no
piss up
food.
nobody
They have
bed.
nobody food and no pay.
Gillette call that pay if you go protest tomorrow. You better try go see if you get one 500 outside. Yeah, Gillette call that pay if you go protest tomorrow. You go get for your $500. Punkus live at Germany having money can take plane every much o'clock you want and come and go. Now sleeping in no car and squitting and sleeping in no car. You buy out the wrong war. Not one of them now piss up nobody bed. You buy out the wrong war.
No, you start for Andrew and no, you start for Andrew and Juliet.
Andrew and Juliet, they from them a 6-year-old. From them a 6-year-old, 5 and 6, then they have a right to this.
No, tell him I play in a sandbox together.
And so what? Andre Stevenson did this Mark Golden say my prefer and read Jellyford.
National prefer.
In this Dwayne Vaz to say Dwayne Vaz a drunkard and thief making go a country and they beat him up. You never hear that. You never hear that. You don't hear
Dwayne Vaz a child rape Julian Chung and Jack them thief. He sitting them. When him Dennis Garden thief, he sitting them from Upper UE Hospital. All of them then at PMP. What's your problem?
And forgery
signature and something. What you talking about?
What you talking about? Get away.
Get away. I'm going to pay a woman for food.
Lift
up
like
teeth
Madam
from poor
Speaker.
people.
No,
God bless you. Madam Speaker. Your teeth from hungry people. You. God bless must follow you.
And if you want to see come bring them hungry too, oh my God.
How you man hungry and you take your money? You. God bless you. Now go take your caution. Go on here.
Go stop your take. Go on your caution. Go on over ball. I go turn on your life. Leave us alone, because you notice that we now come over your life, come trouble you again.
No,
give
him one of Madam Speaker Juliet on this.
Get up. Out.
Outside.
Outside.
Give him one of Juliet.
You come over here, come giving news. We don't want to hear no news from your caution. Get away. Out on the road you must go.
Tell Paul well said the blood, the baby Saraya ball from the grave.
Yes, him and him baby mother, them two, they go aunt him.
Tell Paul well say baby Saraya ball out.
And tell him, Paul used to sleep with a murderer, because girl where he used to F a night time, she was a murderer. Take him one up and go murder own a baby mother. So go on. Caution go on, yeah? The same woman when you used to kill out a night time, which was an old murderer.
I don't know if I know Paul well gonna use.
Thank you. Go on, caution.
Go on,
in Jesus' name.
God bless the your caution, and that's why you can't come out of your car. Because your thief and the hungry woman downtown, your thief human food. A dog alone near man up here for.
I first me the one.
Oh God. That's so nice. That group there goes to
Yes, we are going over here, so. That's our fabulous. That's our fabulous. Why can't I bad? Go and pay for your food.
Jesus, wrap up cash in a guy.
You know where I go Munchie.
Nice big boy.
Oh God.
We can't, but we want a news over here. But a contract.
Then I
We
said,
don't want the news
Diego
over
Dan
here.
push up his head, you know. Diego Dan push up his head, but it look like you are the two at this take the back.
When this morning?
Just so I Diego, they had to go with the beat with Caution and get Diego back.
No, this morning the Caution him come in, sit down in a box over there. Me just say out. I just block him out.
When you're okay how you is now, later I'll come back and finish up what I'm supposed to do. But you're okay like that now. For now.
Judith Ingham is back.
I need to encourage Joe. When even come in here and see the wheelchair one side and go to
Bala. So no. Yes. You're going to tell Bala what?
Empress, which back come in here running out?
Over next door this morning.
Headquarters, make your message for Bala. Hold on, let me give me. Tell Bala say all time 1960 bird front we have in a background in a hall. If you go take out it before you can talk to any way up as well.
I'm going to do it. Oh God. Bertie said back to Nara, ladies. Nara's on holiday.
But we have a Nara, Bertie. You have a Nara.
I know Nara, we are talking about our car shop.
We will take up.
Cash and Judy call that peer. Judy call that peer to go protest tomorrow. Go and go get our 500. Go and see if you get $500 fee if you go pay the woman.
But you see how she going to start thing tomorrow. And when she came on Cliff Hughes a couple months ago, when she talked about, she never said the minister.
They're holding collar. They're holding collar.
And then now she's gonna come. Oh my God, that day they rubbed her nastiness over there. My merciful.
No, today when the news come out.
They did?
Yeah, God.
I was not NNN today.
No, and the papers the paper, me see it. Under the comments, me I tell them rubber under the comments, man.
Okay.
I run our way.
Mark Golden call her and ask her, we not hear nothing. We not hear nothing. So she come out. I look.
Oh, they're about
Jeanette Calder.
Okay.
Yeah, we the review and asking us now work.
Oh, we not say nothing. So Mark Golden give him a little money to go carry the woman. You remember when you go up a period circle, the woman 6 or 1/2 dozen of the other, a cash and them 6 or 1/2 dozen of the whole out. Go on here.
Madam Speaker, Bridget, that's only see one pin where one teacher on TikTok say out her 2005 a month time. And that's
that she get. Yes, and that she get. She lucky. She should have never even get that mad piece.
He said that to not forget.
We smart enough
not forget nothing. And that to forget.
Should have worse.
Mark look well and give them one pin. They should have never get not even a pin.
He should have never give them a pin.
This year.
She got to pin up her
bag. They got this year. They can't find one little cheap lunch bag.
I want type in. I want type in then get.
I want type in they get this year.
Last year one type in.
1 year they get one
TikTok in by them pan.
Oh Jesus.
1 year they get one cup. This year they get one type in. 1 year they get one lunch bag.
I think last year they got a cup. The year before they got a like a lunch bag. Yeah, they got a lunch bag the year before. Oh God, they're going worse. They get more money and they're going down. Oh, son of God.
They're lucky.
They're trying to take our government ready for raise pay. Don't worry about that. Damn right. But Jeanette got right in the next that because now the Jack then thing we don't see Jeanette called and nowhere face bony like what. But this man should come out and tell people about so they must come out in their numbers. Come out in their numbers, come up for Parliament tomorrow and flood the gallery. Me want to know if the Labour Senator them not have no family member to come in at the gallery. When them never know say gallery are free for what Ralph to come camping. Oh, we do not this thinking pain. Gonna hear them? They need to say they must not flood the gallery, Bridget. Me never know say the gallery are free for all.
No, but Munchie, when he did that pay figure out a Heroes Circle, he couldn't get more than 15 people. How much
When
him
the
a pay tomorrow?
When the Marvin was here, singing from Canada, promoting from Canada for that over Hero Circle way there.
Most of the time, it's when them keep demonstration or protest or what you want to call it. That's a
natural,
so sorry for comrade out
No,
there.
PNP from the constituency.
Yes,
6-1.
Only some comrade from the
half dozen of the No.
The sensible American people ain't gonna do job.
She don't know what them a talk about. She here, so she go get her money and she come. She don't know what what them a talk about.
You know, so from the boy says 6-1 and does the other than done with him doing. Well, that's not seem black in here, Mark.
No, Mark de la Pena. Mark de la Pena.
When he says 6-1 and does that, whether they retire, you know,
I throw in a run check.
You see him.
Never at retirement. Mr. David video.
Right after the election, he come out and ball say, he want some things and he campaign for the party and then look for him and know. And friend, that's when you hear back from him.
I never him say 6-1 after that.
No man, him
said them can only accounts.
Yeah,
the gentleman can only accounts.
Yeah.
Accounts.
Probably retire accounts, man. We don't see him back again. Yeah, because they come out, they make Mark Bowling put an orange shirt on them and bring them out and not tell them what they come out for.
No, but the lady get tell no, go back go watch the woman say she hears say she go get one money and that's why she come. She never know about no protest.
I same thing tomorrow. When you look tomorrow, PNP people from Angela and from Mark. Tomorrow they come and sell it with placard in their hand tomorrow. Because they nano use worthless comrade when they want to go. Now if you ask them what NARA mean, I want the reporter ask them the comrade tomorrow, what does NARA stand for? I can't tell them one of them don't know.
6-1, half a dozen of the other.
Oh, we imagine when they get
I don't know.
They never know nothing about him and then God about them at protest.
The last time when the media asked the PNP man and the PNP woman never know, Andre cussed the media and said she chose the worst people that we are. Andre
just go and but on a serious note, the reporter they still work at TVJ? I don't see it.
You make it up back to them, man, but you make a mistake that time there. And during Gera cussing, you see? She told the nonsense people, then but she look at the woman, she should have known that woman don't know nothing. So you got to protest, Bridget. If you just call me and say, MunchieB, we're going to go and New York consulate go protest. Me and I will talk about go protest, but me can't stick up myself and go out of consulate office and protest at me, idiot.
Irresponsible. Irresponsible.
Exactly.
So the people there up there, Mr. Man.
Worse than people them support.
Left your yard, but you got to
wait, no, but that's because the next protest they ain't go. The people they not get their money for them chicken.
Exactly. You know that mash up. You know that mash up. You know that mash up queen. Mash up. You know
money.
From cash and thief up the money that they never protest again.
No, but they got them money. Gotta wait for them.
When you be here, Derval for that live, hear him too, Mama Son. They go organize the next protest, you see. Here she,
hungry.
What it is all about? What is this the next protest all about? I want to organize it because I make sure.
I'm more chicken and fish there one.
Mama Son, I make sure no. Mama Son, I make sure where the money will come from.
Well, I'm going to for the children.
Mama Son, I make sure know where the money will come from and she can make her money.
Mama Son, want know how much night fear.
I want to go in charge.
Let me not know. Mama Son, want you the money part to go.
If they are them partner for paying up people, come on.
The woman did sponsor the first protest in Bridget. What happened, you know? Carson go and the woman in box and thief for the woman from Derval, you know.
And Caution doing the woman is to send the money to Durban to do the protest, and Caution go to the woman inbox and tell the woman send the money to him because but they not support the protest because Durban a batty man and people don't feel comfortable around him. So that is why to just give him the money. And Mr. Frank Caution get the money and thief the money the protest mash up. As God as the lady and Durban a batty man better than the continue to give him. Can't leave him as penny.
The money Caution.
That one, he can call nobody name properly. Nobody's name he can call properly.
Caution. No call me name. Me say I laugh till like, me say that's all the time me see them, you know. Me have to buck them up. Me just scroll past. What they mean and say him Durban get baby. Hear me that the woman anybody will get Durban.
Nobody stomach no so strong.
Anytime Durban want go down a father hole and go beg. In walk in the area and pick up people picnic and carry down. They can remember, you know, only children them are you know, Durban now no picnic. So when Durban want handouts and he want go for anywhere go begging, crab up so they pick them. But I'm in niece. And we see
no, Michi, they say
yeah, young baby.
You know, somebody baby, a handout him a go
Bridget.
Bridget.
Fucking choose.
Hear me. That a girl
desperate, you know. Because
maybe they have somebody with cool like him.
But yes. Anytime Durval go beg handout, Bridget, in walking in the area and borrow one pitney and go beg. Durval no pitney. Durval look like him a sensible man to you and anytime I go beg.
They may say nobody call Durval near wicked.
Exactly. Wicked bad. Wicked bad.
Maggie, you know they want another you know, no matter what say. So you know who to pick.
Well, Empress, they say every stick of them
every who have them stick of bush, and I think that's what it is.
No, kill this boy, chop out for Durval. I've done a long time ago.
Durval say caution. I call me name in a caution. Come in and get that money.
One called Babsy. Tell me, one called Babsy. Babsy. Green, like you say green.
Bobby Grange.
Grange.
I saw him steer. But I Caution hijack the program, call the woman privately and take the money and say, him a go deal with the food and the bus for everything. So when the people them go a downtown a protest like a hell now, time for get them harder than food, time for them pay for the food. No Caution. All the one cool down there drink how much rum and Pepsi and much special down there, nothing. And from Caution thief up the money. The woman just take care of herself because the man out the woman because the woman not get no seat. I don't know what the woman a do. Because me say them promise, she said she going to run for one seat down at Westmoreland. Which seat?
Right.
Then 3 persons down at Westmoreland, a crane and take them out of Westmoreland. Crane. Then the people, they move.
No, I can't crane. Maybe a RIP.
Yeah. Dayton, you know see seat where Dayton take the CFS PNP seat in the country. PJ seat. Dayton now left that the seat. That's why I go down there. So you think that Dayton no live nowhere in Westmoreland. Dayton live a town. And Dayton take himself down. Exactly.
You know here Darrell Vaz actually was throwing shades at him when he started. People running all over the country.
Exactly.
Munchie, that's no sense because of him win, you know, and he now put him up and saying if you go take care of people.
He win by a lot.
So if you go take care of people, then we are
over 2,000. Over 2,000.
Yeah, win by a lot, Tracy. So you know, say now gonna wait. Dayton, Ian and Dwayne Vaz. Jamaica Labour Party now win back at the seat because they want the little time with the 3 JLP get the seat and they want to work with them do and the PNP people still vote them back and put in then 3 PNP there. We can take a man for the seat. Hanover seat, Dave Brown seat, we can try back for it because we have a strong people we can work on. But then 3 seats at Westmoreland, the Jamaica Labour Party, if you take them mind off of them seat, the Bridget and focus. One in Hanover, and we can try again with Zulika Jess seat because the problem with Zulika Jess she don't have any money. Don't have any money and she have 2 lazy councillors when I don't know one of them never live in Jamaica. So I think slowly he's endearing himself back to the people. Come, you're saying don't get help out and this and that. So
You know, see Mala fix road.
Yeah, my fixed road is actually fixing the roads.
So slowly can try again, and we can get a new candidate to put down in the seat where Dave Brown was. Dave Brown can't go back. Dave Brown because sit down. And we can try back then
he can win back the seat then.
Exactly, Bridget. Dave Brown can go on. But the three seats at Westmoreland,
and we have an seat we can go back.
we have an seat we can definitely win it back. Nikisha's seat got hard for win because she go put her one tight up pants, Bridget, with all her pussy print out and go walk. You know, the man, them go and look on fear front. So then I move on. Them, no man now vote. No man now vote no man when they can't say free front. No man now vote there's no free front.
Newbie still in our constituency, so newbie just need to stay there. Yes.
Newbie need to enumerate young people because the whole long time PNP people they don't want to see them up there with their block road that talk about Mrs. and this and Mrs. I never look pan them. I say look at one or two. And one term Mr. Enriquez get it with the bad road. You don't expect him to fix all of the road. You know, so no one Azan no get. So we turn up the black road. When they done back the road, Bridget.
Azan up Spalding's end.
Yes, when they done back the road, Empress. And then
Kelly's way, Clarendon.
Chapelton?
No, upper Clarendon, no, in our case.
They see one of you there and I move back the sitting when they put in a road, Bridget. That's so no look on them up there.
That's so
they see one.
Yeah. Nobody no look.
That is so no look on them. And they see one take them go share me that self and me say look at one and clear it back. We don't never know so no one road. We not look power no. So we can try back to we can stay this and work and numerate young people. We need a new candidate down part we have there. I don't know about the man down there for no one running back. I don't know nothing about him, we know for decide. But we can we can win back. We can win back couple seats because PNP now have no money and they spend out all of their money, Bridget, because they really think they was going to win. And the fact that they lose it a big loss to them, make you think them a cry.
No, they are only for bankruptcy too.
Yeah, the PNP pen out, as some of the MP them they pen out, for winning, Now the marginal seat them, they pen out.
And they don't win by no Wally.
They think they was going to come in, Bridget, now, so they can recoup some money in there and run some free program where they can benefit and their family member can benefit and either have some of the money give them.
No, what run no Munchie, so Wally pass scammy.
Yeah.
What do you think about Portland, Munchie?
Portland Eastern people. We upward part of the road, I build the people that move vote against we come out vote for ISAT because they say government will take for them house. I think then the people that learn their lesson because of the same government, Bridget. At the same government where they say I go take for them house, them a call to a ball to know if you can go at them.
And with the fishing program, and with the fishing
government where they say man Maria and Darrell got thief their house and government want thief their house and then and ISAT and PNP promise them say we'll never let that happen. We now make Julieta Andrew thief in no house because Julieta have everybody land title and Julieta thief. See now PNP lose and I see them government me they know their ball like a hell the government must come talk to them. So we don't know talk to them about the land. Because government was speaking to them, Bridget, but they never try to hear them listen to the PNP. We tell them about government a plan for thief their land and ask them to lick down their house and all them goddamn nonsense there. So I don't even know about this, but I think Anne-Marie Vaz can run back. But I don't know if she go run back because her husband.
Her husband, they're 50-50. Him not decide, because remember him say, remember what go happen with the oil, because him don't want to leave, because him want dead.
Yes.
You understand me?
Yes.
So him have a 50-50 on that one.
Yeah, man, I think we can what I think we need to do, Bridget, and we can say this publicly. We need
our Munchie, if he ever go step down, she go over Fim side.
No, she can't go over Fim side. The husband and wife have to go and go take care of them grandparents together. No.
But I'm not gonna let him wife.
No, they don't make no sense.
Take liberty and wife
exactly.
Again. If
Darrell leaving wife, he come like Darrell still there.
Nobody come stress her out a man in time and then want this and then want that. If so she need to put on weight. Hear me? Go on, Marie. Go.
I think if Darrell Vaza step down,
we need to put, that is a safe seat. We need somebody who can run a ministry in that seat there. We can move a minister and put a cobbler in that seat there. That seat have to go to a minister. Remember we remember we take out a minister and a queen. We can take out a minister and put a crebe. We put a minister too. Just like upper Ardlishaw, we move Ardlishaw, which is a senior man and a well-experienced man. We put in RJ Marks, and RJ Marks could have gone in the cabinet. So if Darrell Vaz a step down, it have to be a minister. If Barmington seat have to go to a minister. All of the safe seats that we have, if the people must step down, we have to give those seats to minister. We cannot say, we give seats to people.
But the problem we have, though, the problem we have, Munchie, is that we always wait till too late. Babsy, all of who are go if you go if 2027 right after the.
But then now go with next that. I will tell you them I go.
Should I hear what Travis say? Travis say better candidate.
Mute your mic, baby, because you know it go already. Cause you must be no one break your heart this evening. Because I'm not one of them. Now you went to see something.
Yeah. Don't make me cuss because I'm not scared them back in the 2030 election. It's all less smart than 2030.
Bridget, if she not care, then she not left them then.
Me say, all people them in a 2030 election are going to be Andrew Holness, Juliet Holness, Christopher Tufton.
Wait a minute there.
Audrey Marks.
Tax chat said no JLP candidate at Krebe. Well, let me tell you something what I mean by Krebe. Because I know how you're easily offended. We don't want anyone that cannot go in the cabinet. So let me move the word Krebe, because I know easy for vex. All right. No Krebe. We want candidate that can go in the cabinet.
Minister
that's all
like,
tax
yes.
chat.
Yes.
That's all that's all now. That is why I was gonna say next data, we need to make sure we pick good candidate for the local government election. We need
look upon them local. I want local government to scrap. So me not look upon them.
Scrap Bridget. So since it's not scrap Bridget. We need
scrap. So
it not scrap.
People what collect taxpayers' money and don't live here and want as the election come back. Them need to change.
I don't understand how you guys do those things. I don't.
But live in Jamaica.
How does that you don't live in Jamaica and you're a councillor? How does that work?
But Bridget, that would have to change in the legislation.
Well, them need to do it, Munchie. Them need to do it. Because that's a foolishness. That is total foolishness. If you want to live a foreign, go and go live a foreign. But if you collect my money, my taxpayers' money, then better turn down there. Breaking news. I want to fumble, man. Clean up buildings. But then a long time it has said.
You're not breaking news, fumble. I agree with you, no, Bridget, but that have to go in that have to change. But what I am saying, Bridget, because we know that local government scrap next data. It is what it is. What the Jamaica Labour Party need to do, make sure we have good, strong candidate in the area them we lose. And I would suggest, Bridget, that the MP them will lose, they must run as local government. What do you think?
No, them not. That's not like a demotion.
What would be demotion?
It's not demotion.
You can't. No, so you can't run as a member of parliament and run as
a member of parliament no more, Bridget. Them is a nobody, you know. That is where they test the water and see the people and still like them.
No.
Is that, You don't like the idea, Bridget?
No, me not think so.
But you don't think that's all right then? All right, so let me ask you a question. The council seat where down at Westmoreland where Judge Wright will go run local. You don't think that Judge Wright for run it? Remember Judge Wright used to be a councillor, no, Bridget? And he moved to MP and he lose. Judge Wright born and grow down there and come from down there. I think all of them will down there will lose. They will run back as councillor. A lot that way them can test the water and see the people them still like them. And if they win, at least we have more people in the council all over the place. I don't think we need to come with a new candidate.
And they can work. Members of council run the place, you know. Me think so. I agree with that.
I think that is what we should do. I think all anyone except we know say Anne-Marie Vaz, she have all our councillor them already, so she not have to worry about a new councillor. But like what I St. Thomas now, the era where Rosemary Shaw used to.
So you tell me say Michelle Charles will go run as councillor.
Michelle Charles don't go back for no more ballot period. That's a different story I thought now. Because the people don't love Michelle and Michelle don't love them and she not back from them. So for peace and safety next,
She have to go on.
Yes.
She have to go on. We have to tell the truth, you know, Bridget. She have to go.
Safety.
Yeah, she have to go on.
She have to go.
She have to go, Bridge. You know already. Me, you know, say Sister Michelle can't go back on the ballot box.
But not one.
Not one.
Not even for student council president.
Not even for prefect. She cannot go back.
No. Oh no, not even for monitor.
Not even for class monitor. Michelle cannot run back.
I swear, bad man.
Who you think would have put down there? Get against Mama Shah.
Remember say Rose used to be the councillor in Bridget, and then she'd be the MP, so her seat is vacant as well. So they're gonna have a by-election there. That may I tell you?
Yeah, me not talk.
So we need a candidate for this. So a by-election, you know, but it's a local government. We are sort out by yourself. So we need a young candidate to come from this. So hopefully we can get a teacher.
Send Lexi.
How about a teacher, Bridget? A teacher will come from the area.
Yeah, that can work.
Yeah, man, a teacher come from the area can run this. So.
And it would have nice if we find one teacher down a Seafoot High. If retire Malabar.
Yes. Yes, so we have to think about it. In my place now, Bridget, in my place now. Me go wait for see my MP. Because I not the pass such a good mood. Me no want squad. Me wait for see who she come with. Me not make no problem. But don't northeast. Slowly me not go suggest say slowly run as no councillor, because I think the people who run back, the guy who run a Shiloh, if you make him run back. But we need a new candidate for where Rockley's Kirk they run, because Kirk Rockley's in couldn't win. So we need a new candidate for this. So. And a new candidate for this. So. And Nikisha now. How much councillor did Oma did have down there? Must have one. I will lose.
For a friend lose, yeah. And him say him not go back.
But you know why not go back?
Yeah, me know why I'm not go back.
He's still young and could have run back.
Me know why I'm not go back.
Don't have flight green if run back Whitney. Because me say people don't love Whitney. Me don't know if I shout. Jamaica, yeah, this is a Shiloh need a new candidate. You know like the guy who down there, Valentino Peng. You know like Peng.
I think him try about 2 times and I don't think him they get it.
So maybe the 3rd time is the chance. Bridget one not like Peng. Me like me not give me the chance, man. Kind young.
Me no know about him. We don't need a new MP for South Trulani.
No, we don't need a new MP.
What is wrong with you? What is what the South?
No, Mama D.
Man, William, stop it, man.
Leave Mama D alone. Mama D not
leave Mama D alone. Gonna fight her enough and put it her out, so make she stay. If she go retire now, me not have no problem. Me not have no problem if she's gonna retire.
If she can retire, but if she go, me if he with she, but where Babsy go? Where Desmond go?
Me got a phone a break up.
Where Tara one up at Justice I got. None of them now go on the ballot 2030.
Bridget, me glad to your phone.
So make it PMP them. Make it camera them tape this. No whole people now go on the ballot 2030.
The reason why I want the honorable something if you go on the honorable my name
Justice.
The reason why I want the justice man to go on because him passing shelf life.
You just have expiration date.
Yeah. The chicken cook?
Go on.
Me know say you vote for already, William. But what may I say, you know, me don't know.
Bridget, if you are a good leader, you have succession planning. If you're standing there till them have to take wheelchair, take you out like Mike Henry, it means that you were not effective. And I'm not, but it means you were not effective. It means you did something wrong.
Not that you weren't effective, not that, but you have to have succession planning.
You have to. You have to grow people to carry on your legacy.
Yeah, you can't stay there forever.
So why you work for them if you don't want to go take cruise and spend some money and live some life?
That's so man.
Munchie, travel one hard.
I told you that.
No, say Munchie.
Knox, that's what you say about me. Knox, that's what you say about me MP Mike Henry.
Yeah? So them have to take him up. After recess parliament, we got change in Pampas. We not do that again.
But you know what, Bridget? It is very unfair to the people of Jamaica to put these people to run back and then have to keep a by-election to move them. That is not cost effective, and we don't need to waste taxpayer money like that. It's true.
They never did keep no by-election for
and we're saying that, right? We're not disrespecting anybody. We're older and we respect them for the fact that them
government election.
Them 80s, Bridget, and then run again at 2030, 81, 82, 80. Chances are we may have to keep a by-election to put in people and tell people why not just start from now.
When 2027 come, all of them are put up their succession planning now. We face them out 2030.
The only thing me would have liked to see. Travel mute mic, baby. The only thing that I like to see one queen is that the new place out of Vernon Field where the Prime Minister said
airport.
We are near Mike Henry. We are near Mike Henry Airport.
Yeah, because
Mike Henry place.
Yeah.
It must name so.
I don't mind that.
Me know say Mike Henry do a lot.
Yes, Mike Henry do a lot.
In work.
So I
Bob
think
do a lot.
There should be a Mike
time
Henry.
when you just gotta go.
No, we're not talking. All up a
Moko. Where the end of the general election, Nesta win back in 2 divisions by a lot. So we just need the same candidate where they run. Nesta can run him back because the Labour Party back united in a Clarendon and Nesta can win back.
Madam Speaker, I got when Nesta did run, we didn't know. He did Labour right and a switch come over.
No, man, I know, but I'm saying the guy with Romian, we are councillor Moko. Romian was able to win the council seat because the Labour Party was not united and because the tide was against us. But in the general election, Nesta make up back the number and win back in 2 divisions. So the same candidate when run in a 2024, Naxin can run him back in 2025, and Nesta can have in 2 councillor them now.
Yeah.
And secure Clarendon the right and proper way. And the man we don't have cousins, Bridget. The one where work this one for down a south where the people ain't put out. Him can run for one council seat down there, Bridget, to test the water down there. Him and the guy we down a southeast St. Anne.
That's a chin?
Yes.
No man, chin no work, Cliff.
Remember saying fall from grace, you know?
No chin no fall from grace. I don't licky people down a South Manchester, but me hear them down there at talk about they now see MP and something. Not Peter Bunty enough. Tony Black and yeah, look for them.
Exactly.
Yeah. So and the Labour right them down there. The Labour right them down there.
Neil, we know so the airport where it was done by Mike Henry. They so should have named Mark Henry Highway or something. We too coward for reward with elders, man. They should have named Mike Henry Boulevard or where one name.
The Palisades want change the name?
Eh?
The Palisades yet?
Yes, and Mike Henry fix up all there now. Man, no water can now come over the road again like one time, you know.
Yeah, man,
and people can go airport, you know. One time when
we not tell us we are gonna give him out a tin some paid where you work for again.
That's not done yet.
Back your back. Bridget, back your back.
Me and talk about we're done. Me no know if things not done before he got
I
want him get award before him be me eye close.
Yes.
Maybe they can change the primary school and constituency and name it the Mike Henry Primary School.
Which one?
Because the time we never have the corporation and everything.
It was Demby.
Are we at the municipal corporation? No, we can't change it. We want to change it. Are the mayor for blame for that now?
Right?
The mayor don't get for blame for that now, Bridget.
I want to run Demby Eye when me go Demby Eye.
I want to catch him.
Federal really take talking as much as in little the federal really and truly just not take talking, just do him and do you know.
I want
to change it.
I want to catch you. Look, the one there where we didn't meet. When name again, Munchie? What name? You remember we did what
Me
name
nah,
again?
leave the mayor alone. Leave the mayor alone.
I want catch you, missy.
Who that there?
You want we call Miss Chin? You want we call Miss Chin Pan and Bridget?
No, leave
me
him.
fight my whole battle. Me no want nobody fight my battle.
We are talking Bridget Shiguri.
No, the mayor shut up.
No, man,
I want wall.
And the mayor Clarendon shut up because she wants school name
If I have a wall,
because she wants school name of my kid.
If I have a
Joel
wall,
Williams.
Joel
Williams.
Oh, you mean?
No, me think I did the PMP when you want cuss. That's why me I call Miss Chin.
No.
So look here. So I wanna say Mr. Chin, no fi run for no council seat.
No, Mr. Chin can't go on back for the MP ticket.
Mr. Chin you think can't win Cousins?
What make?
Yeah, Cousins have a big chicken. Cousins have a big stinking chicken pen down there when every single comrade down there. Then he can't lose.
Munchie. If Chin Smart he go run for councillor. Because him being councillor does not stop him from running for member.
Thank you, Travis. I don't know what do them in Travis
him
because it makes
put
sense.
him in an active working position.
Thank you. It makes
familiarize
sense.
himself with the people.
And when the next election they run again for as the general ticket. I don't know what do them, Bridget. It makes sense. Travis them already upon the ground. People know them already. You know, in a sense, we come in with a new candidate when they did already work from when.
My friend
the council ticket.
My friend is going back.
Which friend?
The guy when we did back when him.
My friend run things in Bridget and a
So
friend thing me I deal with.
Not three council seat down there.
Munchie, you come up because you start one line of argument where you support, that's why I come up because a long time.
No, all of the trip, everybody have them likings. I mean, say the guy when me back in a local election, and him me want go back.
Which division in the run, Bridget? Which division?
Donna Cousins.
Which division? A 3 division down there.
I think a Yorktown him run.
Yeah, but more down there. Chin can get one. More down
when
there.
He not go come trouble my friend one.
No, but Chin can't take anyone.
Anyone down there. Traded down the
he not come trouble because the guy did well. So him have go work one other division.
All right, Bridget. All right, Bridget.
Can I chairman for the constituency?
When he not come take my friend seat, I don't know.
But
Bridget,
with good strategy, all of them have strategy. What me
he
say
did
is
very well.
did he win? Bridget, did he win? Did he win?
He never win, but he did well.
Then Bridget, we are defend.
Me and defending.
I lose a candidate you are defending here.
What are you defending?
Him cut in the PMP vote and he did well.
Bridget, what are you defending? Did he win?
Bridget, if PMP can defend, so then did well, because then come from 14 to 20. Then come second. He did come second too.